Yo, guys, I'm coming in a second. Coming in hot, folks. Woo! Coming in hot, baby. Game is booting. I think everything's ready. I don't know, man. I never went live this fast on YouTube before. But I had to, guys. Okay, turn that down. Here we go, guys. And here we are. Bam. What's up, guys? What is up, man? Thank you guys for coming in right away. Good to see you guys. We got Trey, Warren, Kevin, Cook. You guys are ready to go, man. What are you guys up to? Now, last time we left our work, we had run, I think, four or five characters to Mohg. And here, okay, this is Claudia 1850, right? Claudia 1850. Okay, get out of that. Now we got to see who's next, because the plan here is to get all or most of my characters to Mohg and then kill a bunch of Mohgs. That would be fun. Does that sound like fun to you guys? I don't know. All Mohg all night, something like that. Cool thing about it is they're all different builds, right? So it's not like it's going to be the same thing. Some of them will probably be challenging, man. I think there might be at least one astrologer with a rock sling. Huh? Yeah. Didn't do so good on Melinda. So we're definitely going to have to turn up. You know what I'm saying? Okay, now I can see you guys. There you go. Does Claudia have the physic? Ooh, oh. I didn't check to see if Claudia had the physic. Okay, well, since I came here, I'm gonna go look at the next player, but we might have to go back to Claudia's physic. This is Astrologer at 138. I think I'm not gonna bring him right now. Professor 47, he's not ready. Tom and Perry, 166. This one I want to get done. Tom and Perry. Now we have a look at this guy, man. What is this, Estelle? I can run back to this. Yeah, that's easy enough. I don't need to finish that right now. Okay, so first thing we do is check inventory, and I already know. Wait, nope. I got to go to a Grace, and then we have to check and see if we have the. Oh man, whenever I come here, I'm afraid I'm gonna get invaded. I'm not gonna get invaded, folks. I would bonk him to death, man. This guy's a bonker. I can't wait to play that invader on this guy tonight, right, guys? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring after dark, guys. Pretty much every day at 8 o'clock. Guys, the schedule's gonna be a little messed up because I'm having a real life meetup for my stream this weekend. Friday night, not gonna be able to play Elden Ring after dark. Saturday night, I'll be on stage. We're having a live music show. I'm not going to be able to do it Saturday night either. So those days, guys, Friday, Saturday, I have not taken 2 days off of streaming on YouTube since I started 2 months ago. I've taken a couple of one nights. Okay. Mix the wonderful physic. Let's check it. I have it. There. How? I never went to get this. I just made this character. Is there anywhere else you can get this physic? That's amazing to me, guys. Okay, well, I'm not gonna trip too hard, guys. Let's go here. I just don't know how. There's no way I went and got invaded and did that invader, guys. I'm telling you, there's no way. We have some underground malarkey, guys, but we have no. What is that, and how do I remove it? We have no Mohg. Okay, so we got the best way for me. You guys might be smarter at this, but for me, I go to, if I can find it, right here. Go to the first step, see if R is there. If R is there, yeah. How do I even have that? Hey, Charlie, you have 3 Mohgs ready to go. Could possibly squeeze in a 4th. Guys, it's Mohg day, man. I made it on a thumbnail. Okay, Var is not here. That's good. Now we check our closest Grace to the Rose place. Oh, wait. I should check my freaking bags, guys. I should check my bags, right? Because remember, we did some running before. Equipment. Watch. What? Wait. Watch this. Inventory. Watch me have it. Have the audience thing already. I don't. I don't. But we do have Mohgs Shackle. Again, how the hell did I get Mohgs Shackle, guys? Did I buy it from somebody? I don't remember doing that, man. Okay, so now we know what we got to do. We got to run Pew Nord. A little north by northwest, little bit. I think this is a pretty good aim right here. Hey, Charlie and Chiller's Kid. What's up? Drew's here, man. Rhodes is back. Guys, we had a great chess stream earlier. It was the under 1250 chess tournament. It was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. Had a new short pop here on YouTube. It is the... Which one was that one? Yeah, it was when I thought I saw freaking Mohg, guys. Guys, Mohg, I got Mohg on the brain. I hallucinated, and I literally thought Mohg glitched out of the fog wall and came down to kill me. Do I sound nervous? I might be, guys. Okay, come on, buddy. Come on. Just give me the poopies. There we go. Now we have to hope we have Altus Highway Junction, because I think that's the closest. Is that it? Yeah, good. Hey, G, Altus Highway Junction. This is going to be a fun invasion, because big, dumb, slow Weps, guys. Uh-oh. I got Plateau. I think I got to run from Plateau, guys. I got to run from the Plateau. Now, where the hell is Altus Highway Junction? It's like right over here somewhere, right? Isn't it kind of at the junction? So I'm looking right at... Oh, it's right there? I gotta find this Grace, guys, because I'm not sure where I am. I only know how to get there from Altus Highway Junction. There's no Grace over here. Oh, maybe it's that one on the... Wait for it. Jesus, they're shooting freaking crap at me from back there, guys. Okay, we're gonna pick up this little blue malarkey because that was a mistake. This must be the Grace right here, but that's not where I was running from. What Grace was I running from? This should be Altus Highway Junction. Looks like a highway junction to me, folks. The junction, but how the hell? I think I know where I am now. Yep, this looks correct. And we go this way. Okay. Oh no, maybe I didn't do the other invaders. What invasions are those other... Well... The Patches one. Right? Wait. I have Murkwater Cave, so I've done the Patches one. So I'm betting this is the way. Look at this, guys. Sacred Tears. For years. I got Sacred Tears for years, folks. The church is over here somewhere, I think, but I can never find it. Did you see my comment earlier today, Charlie? World's most expensive pharmaceutical drug, coming in at $4.25 million for one dose, coming to an American pharmacy. $4.25 million per dose. Wow. Yeah. Pretty wild, man. Pretty wild. Okay, I think it's gonna be... Yeah, like I think I can go this way. You know, I'll be there, right? Oh, it's right there. Guys, I've come here enough times to where you would think... Let me look at my map, because I'm going to have to run here again. Altus Highway Junction, you run pretty much north. North, a little bit west. Okay, maybe I can remember that. Now, if my invader isn't here, I'm going to get invaded by a baby Mohg. I'm just going to flask up. Come on. What the hell's going on? Okay. There it is. Okay, now, welcome to 10 minutes ago. All the buffs are gone for sure. Where's the invader? Come on, man. We're burning Golden Bow. It's not coming, huh? Oh, there it is. You can let him drink. You just got to make him pay for it. A range on this stuff, dude. No hit. Nice. That's my first no-hit invader, guys. I mean, you know what I mean. Wait. Oh, I was coming here for the thing anyway. I didn't need to do this. I already checked it. That's okay. We just got a pole blade, so that'll be good. Okay, so now... No, what I'm doing now is... Magnus. Right here. We're doing Magnus. That was a good warm-up for Magnus, though. Every single dose of streamer is absolutely free, and now sugar-free YouTube subscriptions. Thank you, Truthful. You're so right, man. Yeah. All right. Did I rest? I did. Okay. I ported, so I guess that means I rested, right? Okay, we're going to bonk to death Magnus the Beast Claw. We are going to jump when he does his stupid ground attack. The little Malekith Phase 1 that I do so well on Malekith in Phase 1, yet I don't do so well against Magnus the Beast Claw. I think he's a little faster. It also doesn't hit as hard, right? Yeah. Okay. Here we go, guys. We have to kill a couple dogs. Be sure they don't get up. I'm gonna hit this one first. Oh, God. He's dead. There's his sister. Got hit. This one's still up, folks. One thing about this character is going to have plenty of health pots, so I don't mind resetting. Okay. 11 health pots. If I can't kill Magnus the Beast Claw with 11 health pots, guys, yeah. Once upon a time, I put a horse chess piece under my pillow. One morning, almost 3 years ago, I woke up. Charlie was streaming. Just facts, man. Just facts. Love it. Okay. Now, maybe I can do this better this time. This will go left hand, right? Feels right. Drinking. Wait. Where's his name? Did I already kill him? So maybe I'm on Maiden's Blood with this one? Oh, God. I can't beat that guy with that. Next time, don't stand so close to your sister. She'll get you in trouble. Okay, so Beast Claw's done, guys. So I guess we're doing Maiden's Blood? I mean, I'm not too upset that I don't have to kill Beast Claw, but I kind of wanted to whack on him. We might as well pick up the flowers. Guys, he's right here, guys. He's not here. But he gave me the festering bloody thing. Did he not just... Did he not... Did he give me the napkin instead? Did he give me the clean napkin, folks? Who reads what VAR says? That's not my fault. It's not my fault for not reading what VAR said, guys. Maybe I was a good Souls player and I got the grace at the 4 French fries. I did. Let's go check Maiden's Blood, lady, man. But I'll tell you what he didn't give me. He didn't give me the He didn't give me the Mohgs thing, did he? Inventorio. Did we check it before or would you check it now? Where would the Maiden's Blood thing be? It wouldn't be a key, would it? It's a key to something. It's my key to... Look at all them. I gotta turn some ball bearings in, guys. This guy's slacking. Where would it... What would it... I guess I should go back to... The grace of the 4 French fries sounds like a place to be if you ask to me. Dude, anything involving French fries. Guys, I almost went and got a burger, but I didn't. I almost went and got a burger. What I did, guys, I finished the chess stream. I had to bring my clothes to the laundromat, which I was supposed to do yesterday, and I forgot. I forgot, guys. But I need clothes, guys. I'm running low on clothes. And I got big events coming up this weekend, right? The streamer events. So, I had to drop my clothes off to have them done. And there was a truck open. It's a chicken truck, guys. They sell chicken. It's like kind of like El Pollo Loco. It's the bright yellow chicken. We talked about it. You guys told me the name of the spice that makes the bright yellow chicken. Christopher Williams says, sorry, friends. I'm going to have to catch the replay. It's been a long day. Oh, Christopher Williams, brother. I'm sorry you had a long day. Wish you the best, my brother. And hope it was a good long day. And yeah, dude. On the replay, when you come back, you're going to see me preparing for a few Mohgs, and then you're going to see some Mohgs going down. Down, down, down. Mohgs are going down. Is this right? I don't understand where I am on this thing. I don't know where Here's Mohgs thing, and I don't have any graces. Palace Ledge Approach might be there. There's no graces. I got to go back to VAR and actually listen to him, dude. That is freaking embarrassing for a few reasons. One, because I should have done it the first time. Second, because I freaking hate VAR and I don't really care what he says, guys. It's like listening to Selvius. Like, who listens to what Selvius says? If Selvius, well, he's dead, right? But if Selvius was in the expansion, like in a ghost form or something weird, or just, I would not listen to what he said either. At cost of not finishing the game. At the chance. I hate Selvius. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about. He gets no credibility with me, folks. And this VAR guy, first off, he's the one that called me maidenless in front of all my friends. Secondly, he grabs my finger every time and calls me a little lamb chop. And he makes fun of me because I made a little sound when he was ripping my freaking finger off. You could watch. You're fixing to see some. Can't wait.
I'm glad you have a... I wish to anoint a night luminary. So... Now.
Okay, well, at least now we're making progress.
For your final trial. Normally this...
The final trial. Yeah, I just did it, but I wasn't on that part of the quest yet. It's okay, buddy. I still got my grace at the 4 French fries. Me and the guys at the 4 French fries are cool, guys. I'll be back in 2 minutes with the Maiden's Blood. Mohg fights. Dude, the last time we did Mohg fights, they were hilarious, but all of the builds were pretty OP. And it was, we were just tearing through Mohg fights. I have a feeling tonight could be same. Could be a difference. Truth rocking the French fries. Okay, guys. Second verse. Same as the first. No, better than the first. At least that freaking Grafted Scion's down, right, guys? I don't like when he does that. He does it real fast. Hate that, guys. Actually like it. That's a pretty cool first boss, man. You know what I mean? He's pretty chill. Because he killed your maiden. The one in the chapel of anticipation is my maiden. Is that right, Billy? Drew has 4 freaking Mohgs, man. That's insane. I mean, I've got a lot of Mohgs to do, too. How's Trey doing on Mohgs? Is Trey here yet? Celibus is a pompous sorcerer. He just can't cast the vibes that abide. Feel. Yeah, bad vibes. So Celibus. Hey, can I now get a little bit of your... There we go. Okay. This guy is going to be at Mohg's Palace in no time. Trey is just here to help. Trey, what's up, my brother? You got no Mohgs? We got your Mohgs done, man. Whoa. Resting doesn't help, folks. I mean, I'm not sick. I almost hit altar garments. Who does that? Do you guys... Has anyone ever clicked on altar garments ever in this game? One time. Just tell me. Freaking be honest. Never clicked on altar garments in my freaking... What? Why? Look at me. How do you put a name on that face? You know what I mean? Fries like breakfast good. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy there. Easy there, crab boy. Kind of knocked me off course, guys. Now I'm like way off course. The Albironics are not even on the normal path to whack me in the skull. You have altered some garments. Yeah, I bet you have, man. Oh, there they are. Oh my god, now they're... Thought I was going to pull a little mini-boss in there. Not really mini-boss, but the annoyer. You know the guy I'm talking about.
You've completed
And Raging Wolf set altered. Cool. So can you transmog stuff? Can you make like one cloak look like this feathered cloak? Or could I make this jump attack cloak look like my Royal Knights?
Good heavens.
Cavalry Knight
Clench your
clothes?
teeth or something.
To answer your group question, at Trey, currently playing on the deck, says Caleb. Cool. Okay, Lamb Chop. Yeah, I'm your little Lamb Chop. Telling you.
Which is what you have.
I want a freaking... I want both these
With
fools.
the power I've got
I want
to
Celavis
use it just yet.
and Var
Luminary
at the
mode.
same time, man. I just put us in a freaking phone booth, man. I'll take them out, guys.
One day, right?
I don't like them. I don't like them.
One day, right?
Okay, yeah, right? Yeah. If I kill him now, what happens? Inventorio. Shit, guys, we gotta stay focused. I can't go and killing Var to see what happens. That's not gonna get the job done, all right? No, most sets it just takes the capes away. Some headpieces it changes completely. Oh, so it kind of randomly does little things to your costume, dude. You guys knew there was loot here? The last 3 times I came here, I didn't loot that, I don't think. Maybe I did. Actually, now that I think about it, maybe I did, because I think I did get the map. We got the map to the Mogwin Palace, folks. Guys, yesterday I came here like 4, or the day before yesterday, I came here like 4 or 5 times just to get the Mohg Grace, not to even open up a chicken farm. Usually when I come here, it's to open up a chicken farm. Okay. Guys, we need it because it's part of the game, guys. We got to get Nemo's runes. Okay. My stam's doing pretty good. I bet I got a turtle on, folks. I bet I got a turtle on. We got the Bulbasaurs, guys. You guys know me. You know what I really feel like I need, guys, to take to expansion? Blood Rose. Okay? Blood. Wait, let me see. There we go. There we go, guys. We're ready now. We are ready, man. That's a good thing. If you're unlucky, Savage Style slap fight with Celavis. Yeah, there you go, man. Guys, I'm going to turn the lights on for you. I can see in the dark, guys. And I'm not scared. Turn the lights on for you guys. Okay, maybe I was a little bit scared. Running. What am I going to get here? I keep forgetting. It's runes, I think, right? Hey, whoop-de-doo. Okay. Yeah, that's what chickens are for. That's what Albironics are for. Keep smiling. Guys, I wish there was a Glovewort right here. Oh, my God! Guys, I just found him. Whoa. Okay, that's the Mohg. That's the Mohg thing that chased me out the other day, guys. And I saw him, and he freaked me out. That's what I made the reel about. Right here. But he was all the way out in the daylight, man. He was all the way out here. And I didn't know he was even following me, guys. Okay, this guy's done. This guy has Mohg. Mixed Wonderful Physic. Let's just... What is this? Break stance. Charged attacks. I got the big bonkers, man. And I mean, his stance gets broke sometimes, right? All I know is I gotta have that one. This guy's ready. And I think that's everybody, guys. So I think we might be ready. Although, I don't know. Is everyone ready to start? Drew might not be ready. Drew, are you ready to start killing Mohgs right now, or you need about another half an hour or something? Billy Molinik said, like Alberic's hat, when altered, it takes the hat off and leaves you with a black bandana and red jewels. It's just what he wears under the hat. Nice. Drew's ready. Okay, Trey, are you ready? Is Trey ready? There's a Tear that stops Mohg from nihiling you to death. Yeah, you're talking about the crimson one I just put on, right? Is Trey still here? Because I'll log into my first Mohg kill if or I can log on to the Death Sorcerer. Oh wait, does Death Sorcerer? Yeah, Death Sorcerer got ran here. Okay, but yeah, Trey's not ready. Trey, tell me. Yeah, if you want to get on when you're ready to go, just tell me. Okay. This guy needed what? Oh, he needs the crimson thing, I think. That's what he needs. This guy needs the invasion. So tell me when you're here, Trey, and then I'll just log on to one. And we'll just jump in and kill Mohg, bro. We'll just start the Mohg portion of the evening. Yeah, I don't have it. Okay, this guy's not gonna have an Altus Highway Junction, dude. This guy got got freaking graces, man. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. God, this one seems like it's real close to that freaking. This is Altus Highway Junction, and I run north. So it's like, yeah, this is probably the church right here, right? Can I get there from Mercury Gazing, guys? Is it like way up on the top of the other world? Might give me my time for my 5th Mohg. It's this way. I think, yeah, I know where I am. Cool. I know where I am, folks. I think we have to go up to go down. You know what I'm saying? Might have to go up to go down, folks. But we got the blue. We got the blue marker, man. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. You probably heard me say that before if you're not new to the stream. But guys, we do have new people coming in. We are having a real life get together for my killer community. We are called the Chillers. Came from my chess streams. Facebook gaming, folks. I still stream chess on Facebook, man. I got the greatest community in the world. Or if you have any interest, check it out. If you don't, good deal. You'll be fine without it. And this is our After Dark community that we have moved to Facebook. Dude, this is going to be a little bit harder because it's Claudia. This is going to be a melee scenario, guys. I'm a little bit scared. You guys know me. I don't know how to freaking do this. Oh, I should have mixed my physic. Well, we can buff up at least. I don't know what's in the physic. I don't care. I'm just going to go with this. Let's get invaded, folks. Wish me luck, man. I didn't check trinkets! Where is he? Got blood on him, guys. You guys like that? You get poo on me? A little bit. Those things scare me. Get him! Dude, I'm telling you, I know I have no self-confidence, okay? I might not be able to kill this guy. Melee. I need to be like away and shoot him and stuff. Unless I got the big monks. Guys, we did it. Okay, cool. Now, this guy is done. So, wait, what are we looking at here? Not the... No. It's... Dynamite Mausoleum midpoint. Mid-drift, if you will, folks. So now I'm going to show you guys what we have. Oh, man. Well, while I'm waiting for Trey, I could look. While we're waiting for Trey, guys, I could maybe check that other astrologer. Right? Because he's like level 140, I think, or something. We took the little level 80, guys. I almost want to try him first. That's really going to be making Drew and Trey do the work. But I guess when they're going to have to, like when I help them, I'm going to be helping them with my melt builds. Either the big bonk or most likely death sorceries, guys. For Mohg, I don't want to get under that freaking, that poopy little umbrella. Guys, we brought Bling level 243. We brought Bada Bling. That is my death sorcery. We had to open all these up, guys, just like I just opened up that one. Blingarella. I believe that's Big Bonk. We brought him. Smokey the Bandit, folks. Level 186. He is ready to go to Mohg's Palace. He still needs Mohg, too. Astrologer, level 80, still needs Mohg. Claudia, 1850, the one you just saw, still needs Mohg. Astrologers, folks. Level 138. Don't think we have it opened yet. Tom Imperial, we just opened up. Astrologers. We're going to check this guy out while we're waiting for Trey. When Trey shows up, when Trey's ready to roll, I'll just hit escape. Click on, if you guys want to do one of yours first, I would love to bring the Death Sorcerer. Oh, you guys got to see this. I was watching a guy. I'm probably just going to die. Now I'm goofing around, but you guys got to see this. I was watching a guy do the ball farm. Okay? He's like a challenge runner. And when he needs runes, he'll just, at low level, he'll just run and do a ball run, right? But the way he did it, guys, I'm a little bit scared to do it. Because I might die, but I have 26 runes, so I don't care. But you guys going to... I'll show you guys how I do it. You guys have seen it. I'm not doing this for runes, guys. I don't care. You guys have seen this, right? There you go. That's my ball run. Okay? I screw up. If I did that 20 times, I probably wouldn't screw up. I'm not saying I've never screwed it up before, but it's a very, very high percentage simple, right? I don't know why he was doing it like this. I don't know if it's faster. I don't know if it's fancier. I don't know. And I am not even sure where he was looking. He did like that. He jumped off and then jumped back on. I think I did it too early, and I'm not going to try it again. But I just wanted you to see. Has anyone ever seen that before? Who was it? Might have been Scumnut. Might have been Scumnut, guys. And I just never. I'm like, what? Is there a point? Is there a reason? Okay. Oh, this guy, we don't know what he needs. We're going to see if he needs a Crimson Tear or not. Adam Martin, what's up, brother? Which mix wonderful physic? I have it. Don't tell me that all these characters went and got that. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Okay, now let me check my inventory. Do I have the audience clickable? I do. Dude, this one's going pretty quick. This was the second astrologer, guys. And he was ready to go. So we just got to run him up. You do both balls. How was there no loot here? How was there no loot here? Have I already been here? I have. That explains it. Okay, so this guy had already opened it up. Well, there you go. Okay, so all my astrologers. It wasn't the level 80 astrologer that I was thinking about, was it? Let me see. System. We're waiting for for Trey. Drew's ready to roll. When Trey shows up, we are going. He's probably booting up and stuff right now. It takes a second, guys. Then we're gonna start the We're gonna do what we call. We're gonna do some Mohg killing. All right. The Mohgs are gonna be dropping like flies, folks. You're gonna 1 minute you're gonna be like, "What was that?" You'd be like, "Oh, that was a Mohg. He's gone. Yeah, he's gone." Okay. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be dirty. It's going to be how fast can we log in. I will be using my Death Sorcerer to help the guys. For starters, I think that's going to be good enough. This astrologer. No, this astrologer level 80 is already there, man. That's where he is. Dude, I have like every character except like my level 1 and my level 40 at Mohg. That is hilarious, guys. Okay. I am going to offer to help first, guys, because what do you do? What do you do? You help first. So who are we doing? Trey's on. Love it, dude. You guys, Drew has 5 to do. So let's do like one of his, one of mine, one of his, one of mine. You want to alternate like that? But I want to do yours first, Drew, if you will allow me. You do, okay? And I'm going to be doing Death Sorcery, which is going to be adding the Frostbite, right? Load game, because I can't get credit, so I might as well get some melt on. I have a feeling we're going to see Hyeda. Hyeda's going to be working, man. Hyeda don't screw around, guys. Oh, wait. I have to mix my physic, guys. I have to mix my wonderful. Some kind of wonderful physic. Wonderful physic. Okay, let me see. Oh, yeah, definitely don't care about taking damn. Not with these guys. It's going to be a freaking DPS contest, folks. At least that's what it usually is like. It might not be, though, because a lot of we're not all 3 of us going to be on our main character. You know what I mean? I'm on my big boy right now. I love this guy. He's level 451. He is rocking 2 Health and Steeples plus 10, a couple Prince of Death Staves plus 25, little Death Ritual plus 10. You're going to see the ash on that. You're going to love it. And a little Golden Order Seal plus 10, just for buffs. Royal Knights remains clothing, but a jump attack. No jump attack back. And I got some things here to make my spells slap. Okay, so we're gonna do Drew's, which means I have to put down this dirty finger, and I gotta check my multiplayer. Yeah, old password, cool. Dude, this is fun. This is fun. Okay, I'm a dork. Yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. Give it a shot. I don't know. It does. It stacks some frostbite, I think. And I got charge attacks. Okay, so it's very serious. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I did okay against a fire giant with this build. I made a reel, I think. Oh, guys, we got to do the formalities. Hey! Got to do your formalities, guys, so you're not a real Souls player. Dude, we were here, we got invaded, and we jumped up here, and I was standing right here, and Trey jumped on the button and jumped off, and I was like looking at the invader, and I got sent down the elevator. I'm like, did he troll me on purpose? He actually didn't. I think he was trying to kill the invader or something. Maybe I wasn't looking at the invader. Maybe I didn't know where he was, is what it was, because maybe he was downstairs. Summoning another co-operator. Do you mind? Does anyone mind if I Golden Vow? Would anyone have a problem with that? Oh. I almost died again from that freaking elevator. It's like the elevator at freaking... Wait. Hyeda's here. What are we looking for? We got invaded? We got invaded? Time to jump, buddy. Time to jump, buddy. That guy had no chance. I used a little bit of mana, but I think we can still kill the boss. I can... Did you sleep him? Did you sleep him, Drew? Is this mine? No. Come on, no. God, that damn message wouldn't let me freaking buff, guys. They better be doing okay in there without me, because I know all about, like, you know, coming in unbuffed. I should have just used the Chariot Magica. I'll put another one down. Here's another one. Still got down, but I mean, and then Mo got down on me. Come on, I gotta use the right spell. sat in a poopies, guys. Guys, he's gonna heal. He's gonna heal. Check out the ash on this weapon, guys. Look at this. It rains lightning on him, guys. He's gonna heal. I hate when he gets phase 2, guys. Big damn. Big damn. No! Okay, just put the big damn on him. Is that it? You better back off, buddy. My friends are gonna hurt you. Oh, I'm walking in fire. I'm walking in fire. Big damn with big damn. I gotta kill him now, guys. I'm almost out of life. No, that was awesome. Nice. I feel like I did my part. If Demon Souls can get a remaster, I want a Bloodborne remaster.
Hey!
Hey! Okay. Now, you guys want to do mine? Now, I'll tell you this. So for Drew's information, I am going to be doing the Death Sorcerer now. So, if it makes any difference in what you bring. I don't know if it would. I guess it doesn't matter. You would just bring whatever's going to kill Mohg fast, right? Putting down the dirty little finger. Oh, wait. Oh, I got a new flask. I love that. All right. So, yeah, pretty much the same exact thing we just did, guys, because this will be my guy now. And then Drew and I will start swapping fools out. Yeah, but you won't get credit, though, right, Drew? But if you want the sorcerer, use it, but you're not going to get credit if I'm summoning you, right? So it doesn't matter. Bring what you want. Bring what you think will get this stuff done or be fun. Trey, you know, if Trey wants to get on some kind of cheese situation, you know, Trey has the run of the place, folks. No one will ever criticize Trey. All right. Trey's like Trey could do what Trey wants to. Dirty tongue, sorry. Dirty tongue is down. Dirty tongue has been down. You want to get naughty? Send the elevator down and let him come up at his own free pace. Ooh, almost didn't make it. Drew is pulling up a sorcerer, folks. Now I gotta watch the screen for an invader has been invaded because I can never. You can't look like that. No one's gonna believe it. What did Drew say? Looking. I'd love to get you, Drew, before the fight starts. Load in, game. Load in. We didn't get invaded yet, right? Looking for the dirty finger. Adam Martin says, debatable. If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, subscribe. Drew is a big daddy of Elden Ring. Yeah, the difference between Adam, the difference between you and Drew is, Trey is, Trey doesn't walk around saying it. You know what I'm saying? But you do. So, you know, and that's not debatable, right? But Adam has a max level character. Adam knows a little bit about the game, folks. He does. Where'd he go? I think that's him right there, guys. Oh, he was hiding. Okay, guys. Okay, good. Now I get to do this at my pace. Because I know I'm a little slow in the uptake, guys. But I like to buff up. R. Okay. Golden Vow. Okay, Howl Shabri Breeze. Going in. Going in. Now he's going to be on me, so I'm really, really buffing kind of quick and crazy. Oh, I'm going to skip it. Get him. Big damn. Wasn't as big as I thought. Trey's trying to shut him off. I'm trying to stun him. Trying to keep him off you, Trey. He one-shotted me, guys. He one-shotted me. Just looking forward to Shadow. Yeah, we all are, man. From here, all in love. I leave that old stuff in the back. I love the game. You love the game. Trailers the game. Yeah. Absolutely. Steak of Marika. Is that where we got it? How did he one-shot me, guys? Well, I'm just going to have to not let that happen again. They did really good last time on not letting me get killed. I feel a little bit of a, what's the word, guys? Responsibility. I guess I won't House of Reaper, guys. But it's more damn, though. It's more damn, but I think it's too risky. So I won't do it. I won't howl. I'm just gonna Golden Bow. You guys ready? Going in. Too far. I think I might not be too far. Let's try and kill him before the phase transition. I guess we're not gonna do that. Trey will. I'll tell you this though, man. It is kind of nice to not have him. Wow. He's trying to kill him. He knows I'm the host. No way. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I got the physical collection of Base and Shadow Game with at Trey for PS5. Yeah. I guess it's that's the problem. Is my NG10, huh? Okay, I got to start playing a little bit more experienced and not just because he got a full charge of me there. I thought I did better that time though. I thought I really didn't go that stupid. Oh wait. I could do better, guys. We had him so much there, man. I mean, like, I'm trying to think if there's something else I could do. Put it back down. I don't see anybody. Both times, guys. Both times we failed because I died. That is embarrassing. If I just don't do as much damn. You know, this guy's done. This guy's done. Although on the pull, it was pretty cool. We got some good damn off. So this character is your 10th Pog, yeah. Things spice up a little bit after 7. Yeah. This is playthrough number 11. This is a journey number 11 in G plus 10. I clicked it, Drew. Should be coming in any second. Oh, that was Trey. Sorry. I actually wanted to go mix my physic and like put on oh, I can do something like this. Yeah, I can. This guy's doing blood. He's not really doing fire, huh? If I take off the magic thing and put on something like, just something simple, like a Crimson Medallion, or maybe, okay, your thing failed. Your thing failed, Trey. And we got invaded, so I'm trying to get you now. He's coming up. Dude, he got robbed, bro. we both did this spell on him, this type of spell that dropped the poopies on him. I tried to get you in here, Trey. I tried, brother. I clicked it, but it was I felt like it didn't let me. Yeah. So this is the NG plus 10. I love this sorcerer. Yeah, it's sweet. What spell is that one that rains down the poopies like fire? Oh yeah, I know what I was doing. Equipment. Anything. Oh, I already did it. Okay, good. I built myself for longevity a little bit, guys. So hopefully I won't die this time. Two. Someone already vowed. Okay. I lifted my feet. I just lifted my feet, guys. God, I wanted to get him before the freaking... I should get out of this spot, guys. Because he might be mad with me. There we go. Okay, I just got to stay up, guys. It's all about me being up. And then... we win. Trey didn't go down, did he? Come on. Ooh. He moved. Ooh. Where's my help? He got us both. Time to kill Mohg, guys. Time to kill Mohg! Gotta drink. Drink before he kills me. Time to kill him. I do some damage. Big damn, he's coming at me, guys. I just really made him mad. I think I did it, guys. All right, third attempt, man. Our boys can help a lot in this fight. Nice. Okay. What are you looking at, Drew? And I got my malarkeys back, right? I didn't. Oh, I get a grace. He got me. Yeah. Good job, guys. Good job. How many Mohgs is that, guys? I should make a Mohg counter. That was 2, right? I think we're going to make a Mohg counter, guys. It'll only take me a second. I'll do it while we're, Wait. There's no grace here? Isn't there a grace here? There's no grace at Mohg? That was my Mohg, right? Yeah, I have runes and everything to prove it. Oh, it's right here, guys. Yeah, it was in the sunlight or the something. It was in the Michaela armpit light. Yeah. Okay, here. Oh yeah. Okay, I got the grace. I had to rest. That's what I. Now I'm gonna summon you guys. I'm gonna let Drew summon me. And I'm going to stick the Mohg counter up real quick, guys. This is hilarious, man. It's the night of the Mohg. Sorry it took me so long to get here, guys. Dirty finger down. Dirty finger down. Okay, wait, where is it? You guys wait, let me just set the... Guys, we gotta set the Mohg counter, guys. Mohg counter. Hey! And that was 3, right? Sorry. Hey! That was 3, right, guys? Yeah, that was 3. Wait, was that 3? Or that was 2? That was 2. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. It goes like this. I gotta hold it down for a minute, guys. Well, it goes backwards. There you go. Okay, well, now I can just do 1, 2. All right, man. That Mohg counter does look pretty crappy, huh? But, I mean, you know, I ain't trying to freaking take too much time in the Mohg counter, guys. You know what I'm saying? But, I mean, like, you know, the colors, like, the font, it just sucks, man. But if I can just even make it bold, if I can make it outline, maybe. We're getting invaded, guys. All right. Yeah, I didn't get anything out of that. Did we get invaded? We ready to roll? I never know, guys. I never know. Are we going? Or do we must have got invaded. I was doing the Mohg counter, so I don't really see. This is a pretty crappy place for people because they get pooped on as they come up. You know. We're gonna go. Okay, I guess I don't. If I don't drink this now, I'll forget. Made him mad, guys. He likes me. Get a full charge on a couple of these babies. Maybe a little ash from the sky. What builds was it that we just freaking like melted it? Just getting heal. I hate when it heals. I just feel bad about it. That's one thing about this spell. It's so awesome. They blind you. Yeah, we gotta get it. And I drink mana. That could be bad. Oh, did you shackle? That's why. That's why, guys. We have been shackling. I forgot about the shackles, man. Wait, no, you didn't shackle right there, though. You can't shackle there. But you can shackle phase 1, and then we beat him down, right? Yeah. Equipment Dorio, guys. Oh, yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to bring one in, right? Drew? Hey. Dude, I forgot about shackles, man. Okay, here. Now I got to bring my next guy. And it's going to be, I'll tell you who it's going to be. And you guys can maybe build your builds on it based... Oh, Mohg counter, guys. Mohg counter. That was Mohg number 3 for the night. Quit game. Yes. You can't triple shackle it, dude. Well, you can only supposedly only double shackle. Who's gonna do the first shackle? Let's get a shackle rotation, guys. Shackle rotation. Okay? We just have to do this in World of Warcraft. Bling level 243. This looks like a highly intelligent. Oh, this guy might not be spec. He might be the one with the freaking. Yeah, he's here for a reason, guys. He can't go right now because I'll have to spec him, guys, and I don't want to make you guys sit around because everyone's pretty much ready. But that guy, I had to respec. That guy's like 99 vig, 99 int, and like 23 mind or something. Yeah, he's useless. Okay, you'll go first. Okay, I'll go second. I'll go second shackle. Okay. And so I guess that would put you third. Just throw on a shackle on each player, and you have 3 downs. Right. Load game. Okay, this is going to be big bonks. Mohg, guys. This is going to be a little bit interesting because, yeah. I can. Oh, sorry. I gotta mix my physic. Be sure I have the proper physic, guys. Mix a wonderful physic. Negates damage and break poise. I'm going to keep on negates damage, guys, because it's going to be my playthrough, right? So I'm going to put on negates damage to stay alive. To staying alive, staying alive. Nice, doing my big monk. Omen Killer test build. Nice. Break poise is good here. Yeah, I know. Staying alive is good too. Because I'm melee. I'm going to have to go in there. I'm going to be getting bled on. If I die, we have to try again. You know what I'm saying? I would have loved to keep it on there, but I'm like, you know what? We have like 12 more Mohgs to kill or something, or 8 more Mohgs to kill. And so I know what you're saying though. Poise break would be great. That's why it's on this flask. And so I do agree with you. Okay, I am summoning you guys. Multiplayer. Old password. These guys are ready, guys. Now. See, like, I don't even think I'm going to bother double Royal Knights resolving, man. Because I'm going to have to be careful running in there. I have Poise break on my flask, too. Yeah, I just took it off because I had to put my blood on. And I had the not the bubble tier, but the opaline tier or whatever, the one that negates damage. And I'm thinking I should leave that on so I don't wipe. Okay, boy, we got a lot of melee guys this time, huh? This is gonna be crazy, guys. Oh wait, guys, I almost didn't put my shackle on. Remove here. This is hilarious, guys. Okay. Trey's got the first shackle. I got the second shackle. Drew, you got the third shackle, man. Oh, wait. What are we doing? This is my playthrough, right? I summoned you guys? There's no fog wall. Oh, is there no fog wall because it's my first time? Did he fail or something? Sorry. No shackle here. What do you want? What do you need? If you want me to drop you some runes, you go grab one. You need a few bucks. Can we open trade in combat? But why not? How would 3 not be better than 2, Adam? Engage. Then run back to your friends. I got a bonk on him. I got Margaret Shackle. I think I got Margaret Shackle. I got Margaret Shackle. Oh, we almost had him. Guys, I put Margaret Shackle on. I put Margaret's freaking shackle on, guys. Okay, I got a drink. Good move. That was a good move. I think I took care of it.
As clear as
Dude, I put on Margaret Shackle. I swear to God I had to watch, guys. Equipment. Mohgs Shackle. What? It didn't work. It wouldn't work for me, guys. Okay, my big bonk is done. Please step out of the arena. You can only shackle him once. But we weren't in first half of the fight. He did it right at the beginning, and then as soon as it was over, I did it. Did we? Okay, so now Drew, we're doing one of yours, right? Oh wait, let's do our Mohg counter, folks. That would be 4 Mohgs for the day, folks. System. Quit game. Yes. Well, if you gotta go, I'd rather not wait, but me and Trey could try one. But I gotta move on to the next mode. Or I could do one. I would think you could, man. Twice in the first phase, though, right? That's just the thing. Load game. You left. Okay, so I'm helping you with one of yours, right, Drew? It's your turn now. So I'm gonna get my Death Sorcerer back up because even though I gotta tell you that big bonk, freaking he did some work. He really did. I almost should have kept it. Yeah, put it down so you can summon me. Okay, and then equipment. Here. I just don't know where all these Mohgs. Oh, I got the Ball Chin Blessing. No. Where's Mohg Shackle? Right here. Well, that's Margaret Shackle. Okay. Now inventory. If I have a Ball Chin Blessing, I should click it. Right, guys? Make it go away. Twice during phase 1. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I'm not 1,000,000% sure the best way to do that. Other than, yeah, just do it. You can get the first one again, Trey. Just knock that sucker as quick. Whoa. You guys freak me out. You get the first one, just pop that sucker quick. You know what I'm saying? Because I want to pop mine. So get in there, pop, and then I'll pop right behind you. Can you chain? Can you chain them? Or do I have to like, oh, he's gone. He's gone. You know what I mean? Can they overlap? Do you have to wait till it's over? One actual start, another when people are cool down again. I thought you were in shackle, bro. Was I too far away? Was I too far away? Dude, mine don't work, bro. Mine don't work! Okay, much different damage on this fight, guys. And the lag is interesting, too. I don't think I could go back to my pure magic. This is going to be slow, steady. It's going to be a long fight. Dude, we did it. We one-phased him. Nice. That's what I like to see. That's how we did like three in a row, or a couple in a row like that the other day. We did a couple in a row like that the other day, man. Where he never made phase 2, you know. It's kind of nice. More about timing than attack. But see, do you understand what he did his. Okay, now I'm going to go to... Oh, and that's Mohg counter, folks. That's the 5th Mohg we've killed tonight, folks. All Mohg all the time here at Charlie Sardo Gaming Specialized Mohg YouTube channel, where we only kill Mohg. No, I'm just kidding. We're just getting stuff done. Okay, I'm going to summon you, Drew and Trey. Poor Trey. Wah, wah, wah. Trey, you don't have any Mohg? Do you have anything close? Maybe we could go help you work on or something? Probably desert you to him. You know what I'm saying? Dude. Okay. Now, so that was Big Bonk. Next is Smokey. Ooh! I'm doing it. Okay, guys. This is Reduvia Daggers, man. I'm gonna have to get in there and get funky. Look at this, guys. I should have mixed all our physics first, guys, right? Mix physic. There we go. That will be fine. Yeah, and I'm summoning them, so I'm gonna keep up the. I'm gonna keep a little bit of damage negation. Whoa! Oh, I hadn't run up yet, guys. Mario's gonna make new appearance. Wait, let me look. I might have the grace. I don't want to run if I already have it. I don't know. I would have come back down, but let me just check. Leave. G. I do have it. Crazy. So what the hell did I come back down for? Margit is going to make a new appearance in the DLC. I think that'd be awesome. I mean, Margit and Morgott, they might as well make like Maggot or something, right? Be like, Asmongold was like, I already fought you. I already fought you. It's pretty funny. Okay. Here we go. I am summoning you guys. Inventory. Nope. Equipmentorio. Now watch this guy not have a Mohg Shackle. Margit Shackle, Mohg Shackle. I have it. Mohg's Shackle. That's what it says. I would try it. I would try it 3 times at the fog wall, folks, if I thought I could cheese him. Looking. Margit is going to make a new appearance in the DLC. Oh. Yeah, it's an old password. Here, let me change it. Sorry, man. You guys are so correct. There we go. Password has been completed. I think you said I should probably reset it, right? Move. Now that I've learned the PvP procedure, or the multiplayer procedure, Margit is coming back, and it's going to not and be rot based. Is that right? Password's correct, guys. No caps, right? You guys might have to reset it too. Here we go. Oh, I thought I heard a noise. I heard a noise because I wanted to hear a noise. You hear what you want to hear. Thank you. I wear it shorter in the summer. What is it? What's everyone's favorite boss in the Souls franchise? I don't know the game, man. I don't know the other games. So, like, for me, it's only Battle and Ring. So, I don't have that much to offer. In that, with that, let me try it. Let me try one more time. Like, you know, in case there's a space or something stupid. I doubt it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna try one more time to reset, guys. Cool. We're at Mohgs Palace, right? In Elden Ring. You sure not at like the wrong... Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm in Dark Souls 2 at some other palace. That could be... Someone could get confused, right? It's weird. It couldn't be the character. It couldn't be that my Redubian daggers are too powerful. Guys, the Mohg counter, what's it at right now? We've killed 5 Mohgs tonight if you're just getting here. And we haven't had any trouble summoning. Until just now it didn't just pop instantly. Oh. Yeah, I did beat him. You guys are hilarious. How do you even figure stuff like that out? I'm so clueless. Okay, here. Wait. So Redubian daggers is done, guys. But we don't get a counter for that one because we didn't kill that one tonight. Yeah, right. I think I see the grace. As soon as I ran forward, I saw the grace. I saw the niblet of a grace. Okay, folks. Mohg number 6 for the evening coming in. I wanted to see Redubian daggers. That was one of the ones that melted him. Load game. After Smokey is Reach. He's level 1. He can't come along. Astrologer, guys. You guys, this might be a little challenge, man. This could be a little challenge, guys. A little rock sling action. Might get some staggers. Might get some staggers, folks. Let me mix my wonderful physic. Mix wonderful physic. That is... Yep, right here. I'm coming up, guys. I'll have to check my password. That was the grace, dude. Claudia's coming. I'm trying to do an order. Uh-oh. You gotta pull the button. You guys should hit the shackle when he's all near. It's a waste if we're too far. Okay. I'll tell you, I never saw my shackle work. When you shackle him, he falls to the floor, right? My shackle never worked. My shackle never worked. I saw Drew's work. I never saw mine work.
Hey!
Hey there, buddy. On both attempts. When he had like way more than 50% health. I'm just saying it didn't work. Was I too far? Oh, you're saying when we're too far. Okay, well, I might have screwed up and stepped on the button, guys. La 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 la. Good thing that they're not waiting for me and they're not summoning yet, because when I came up there, I'd come up there, Trey, be like sleeping. You know what I'm saying? Guys, it's okay. I'm learning how to use the equipment here at Elden Ring. All right. There we go. See, I can turn around. I can look cool like this. See, cinematic. See. Oh, wasting mana. That's great. I probably just pulled the hole downstairs. Oh wait, let's double check. Password is correct. Dirty finger going down, and watch, they're just gonna pop instantly, guys. This one's done too. There's no way! Oh, I can check, right? Cocoon of the Empyrean. Okay. That'll be the last time that I don't check. Did you really? Did you really? Well, some of these characters we haven't played on for like a year, right? But... that was the first astrologer. He was level 80, I think. I believe. We'll see. I'll tell you where it was. But it doesn't matter, because I'm gonna be sure I get one now. That was level 80 astrologer. Now it's Claudia 1850. Claudia doesn't have it. I think we just ran her there. Hiya. Charlie, I'm hilarious. Kind of. I'm kind of funny. Okay, first let's see if we have the grace in front of Mohg. Okay, we do not. Now let me mix my wonderful physic. Dude, this is gonna be crazy. Ooh, flasks. Increase amount. Look at that. Can you believe that, guys? I'm still actually increasing flasks. Let's go for a mixed wonderful physic. And I'm going to put that on. And I'm coming up. I'm going to check my password. Password is good. Saw you making the lift going back down to me. Oh, yeah. Oh, that. Yeah, right. Yeah, that was a mistake, bro. All right, guys. Well, if you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. You wouldn't know it. But I have 1,500 hours in Elden Ring, folks. Broke that a few days ago. Probably like 1,508 right now or something. It's like, you don't really count, you know, every minute, right? Dirty Finger going down for the upteenth time. Dude, this character is so a baby compared to my other characters. I mean, he slaps a little bit. I clicked on that creepy looking Omen dude with the big bonkers. I don't see the other one. Okay. Inventory. I didn't check to see if I had a shackles on every character. It just seems like I always have. But you know what? Dude, explain something to me. Some of these shackles... Whoa. Some of these shackles... I swear the Mohg shackle looks different, guys. It looks different one time. Right here, the Mohg shackle, it looked like almost brown. It looked like dark. It was really dark. You know what I'm saying? It looks really dark. I'm gonna use my shackle first, so we're gonna want to get pretty close to him first. Is the plan, right? Jackling. Dude, we stayed with him, man. That was nice. That was commitment right there, guys. Thank you, guys. That was awesome. That would be Mohg number 6 for the night. Is that 6? Am I right, guys? Nice, guys. Good job. With a screenshot, folks. You love to see it. Okay, now we're going to do another one. How many more you got left, Drew? We're going to do another one of yours, right? You still got more. If you're feeling the vibe, like, comment, follow, and subscribe. Okay, I'm going back to... I think I have one more. Let's knock it out, man. We still have a few more, I think. Oh, you're right. You're right. But we still have... He's got one, and I think I have more, too. I think. We're going to check. Yeah, definitely. I got my grafted blade swords. Load game. I'm going back. That might be it, though. Oh, no. I have my other astrologer. But I'm helping right now. You know what? I'm gonna help with the grafted blade swords, man. Because he's gonna get bonked. Oh my god, I was running the trick mirror. LOL. What is the trick mirror? Maybe you and Trey can put on the dirty tongue and see if I can invade you so I can get my 5th Mohg. Flask. No. Mixed wonderful physic. Okay, this guy's already got it on. This guy's already got it going on. Now, let me be sure he doesn't have Mohg dead. No, he doesn't. Okay, I'm bringing him up. I'm level 350 on my death knight. Can I invade you? No idea. Don't know. I'm bringing a guy that's level 160 something, guys. My guy's level 166. The one we're gonna be getting. That could have something to do with some of those kills too. It's like when someone's not level 400 or something, maybe Mohg dies better. Okay, I don't see a Grace. No, we already checked. Okay, multiplayer, checking password. Here we go. Dirty finger going down. Oh, no, wait. Wrong one. Sorry, it's your turn. Since I brought this character, I was thinking something else. You can summon me now, Drew. These swords slap, guys. If you didn't know, they slap. Okay? They're like slap. Like they kind of punk you around a little bit. I got a crappy little golden vow. When are you guys going to have a golden vow? Wish I hadn't been running the trick mirror of all of those meant to be using the golden scarab. Got pass on. I don't see your sign. Well, no. I'm sorry, Drew. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, so when are you guys golden vowing this time or what? Because I got my crappy little sword golden vow that I'll use if you don't. But if Drew or Trey is golden vowing, please let me know. You will. Okay, cool. Okay, as long as it's not me. That's all I wanted to know. So now I know how to drink. I know how to get in. What happened? I think I just got kicked. No? Yeah, I think I just got kicked, man. It just failed or something. Putting down my dirty finger again. Okay, Drew's got it. Drew's got the golden vow, folks. This is going to be Mohg number 7 for the evening, guys. And, dude, you know what? I remembered how much damn the bonks were doing it, and I'm like, these are probably... This guy might be pretty weak just physical, man. To the bonkers. You know what I'm saying? And I'm just going to do some jump attacks. Big damn jump attacks, guys. That's my scam. And then I'm going to grab a freaking water. Okay. Do we get invaded? No, we're going in. We got invaded? No. You just pull the elevator up and screw with somebody? Whose is this? This isn't mine, right? This is Drew's. Did we get invaded, guys? Did you guys see it on the screen? Okay, invaded. Is he hiding up there? We got a hider? I took care of it. That was Trey. Is he gone? Is the invader still here, folks? Drew's gonna follow him all the way back to a big chicken farm if he has to. Drew wants this kill. I don't blame him. I don't blame him, folks. I do too. You could go, yeah, go grab that somber. Did you grab the somber? Oh, you did. Nice. You probably already had it, huh? Is this him right here? No. Oh my god, I just heard a noise. What's that noise? What happened to Trey? Trey went on a mission from God. God doesn't know about it. Is he gone, Trey? She took care of it. Trey don't want no one coming into our world. You invade our world. You're in trouble, man. It's only 3 of us, folks. Okay, I'm ready for some Mohgs. Dude, that thing is so big when it moves, I feel like I'm going up. I didn't check for a shackle, guys. I don't have one. Yeah, pretty good, Dan. Dude, the commitment. The commitment. I love it, guys. Good job, guys. They're still shooting bodies, folks. Very nice, man. That was freaking great. See, it's so much easier without the level 400s. Dude, he got beaten to death gnarly, man. I was slapping him hard, guys. Big slaps. Okay, I'm doing, guys, we can run that again if you want. Get another character if you want, but I'm running with this I'm running with the same character. Because now I'm going to do mine. Oh, wait. Mohg counter, folks. That was Mohg number 7 for the evening. This is fun, guys. The Mohg Chronicles. Putting down my dirty summoning finger. Dirty luring tongue. Just to keep things interesting. Dude, I swear, like, if there's an option to shut off invader alerts, mine's off or something. Like, I never see it say we were invaded. That was your last one. Cool. Cool. If you want to try another character for fun, you can. If you want to do exactly what we just did, just come. Let's just run it again and just do the same damn thing. Oh, let me look at my inventory and see if I have a shackle. Not the raw meat. Mohgs shackle. Okay. Equipment Dorio here. I'm going to put on a shackle, guys. I probably would do more damage hitting him than shackling him. Whoa. Looking forward. Oh, wait. Yeah, no. Trey's here, so yeah, Drew's. This is gonna be our. We're gonna do our 8th Mohg, and then I think I might have another one in the astrologer, guys. I can shackle first. Can I shackle from anywhere? Because I have not clicked shackle. I've clicked shackle and done this bam on the ground. I've not seen it work yet. Yeah, we'll get close. Okay, yeah. I'll get close-ish too. But I'll kind of back up and let you guys get ahead of me. You know what I mean? Because I want to put a pooper on him too, man. I'm here to poop on Mohg too. Plus, when he's getting up to freaking jack you guys up, I'll whack him a couple times. He won't know what hit him, folks. Goal and vow me up, brother. Striking a pose. This is fun. If he's using one of his big moves, it won't work. Okay, I'll keep an eye on that. Here we go. Engaging. Disengaging. He sees me. He sees me. He's on to me. Shackle him again if you can. Nice. That is the most hilarious freaking Mohg kills I've seen. That's great, guys. That was really cool, man. That was funny. Thank you, guys. Okay, that's Mohg number 8, guys. That was Mohg kill number 8. Okay. Now, I do have an astrologer. If you're done, Drew, do you guys mind doing an astrologer? Because that was pretty much 1 for 1, right? Got a 6 screenshot. Nice. Nice. Oh, wait. Yeah, I think my second astrologer... I don't think I checked my second astrologer, right? Oh, dude, that was sick. Yeah. Dude, that second shackle was like right before phase 2, man. It was killer. And then he was destroyed. Consecutive attack bonuses are vicious. It was brutal, man. Okay, I'm going to check my my other astrologer. Tom and Perry, we did. Professor Confessor's too little. This ass astrologer. I see the grace. So I'm done? Guys, I might be done. I might be done. Trey, do you have anything that like you want to get zerged through or something in an attempt to get something closer to Mohg? Since we weren't able to actually kill 4.5 Mohgs for you, or no, 4 Mohgs, right? What are we at? 8. We did 8 Mohgs tonight, guys. I thought we had more. Ain't gonna lie, I really did. Okay, Claudia, astrologer. Smokey's done. Bonk's done. He's done. And oh no! I have one, guys. I have one, guys. I just have to spec him, guys. I just have to spec him. Take and his. Let me see his equipment. Glintstone and yeah. This is an int build, guys.
Is it time?
It's an int build. Rebirth. Yes.
Now, bear this sweeting into life.
Guys, what's like the low level of faith for buffs? What do I want for faith buffs? Is it 23? Tell me if you guys could tell me what I want for faith buffs, guys. $25 for Vow. This guy's level 243, so I'm thinking like 70 big. Mind. He's a caster, guys, so like 60 mind, right? Endurance, like, 40 or something? Strength, no. Dexterity, no. Intelligence is big. Intelligence goes to 80, guys. Intelligence goes to 80. Faith at 25, they said. Okay, good. Faith at 25. Okay, so faith, 25. Intelligence is 80. Endurance is 40. Mind is 60. Vig is 70. And I have about 18 points left. Let's go like 3 and 3 or something. No, probably endurance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Int is at 80. I don't need more there, man. Endurance we cap at 55, right? So I'm gonna put him there. The mind at 65 seems silly to not have the endurance a little higher, right, guys? That looks good. The 75 Vig might be a little much, guys, but you know. Someone else had a Malekith ready, didn't they, Drew? Confirm? Yes. I got one more Mohg, guys. I got one more Mohg, if you guys will. And I might be a staggering fool. Because we are rocking Rock Sling. You know, Melissa, this is NG, but I have, and that way we can get the count up to. Ooh, we got to mix our physic. You're down for Mohg. You're down for Mohg. You haven't had enough Mohg for the night. Remember the night we killed 9 Mohgs in 1 hour and 18 minutes? When I was a kid. Guys, I did it when I was a kid last night, and I wasn't even trying to. You're not even gonna believe what it was. I was telling some younger men, musicians, really cool, talented guys. I was telling him about how I bought, or talking about, I'd love a Tacoma, man. He's like, all those Toyotas run forever. I said, dude, I bought a 1987 Toyota truck, brand new. They're like, no way. I said, yep, 202.79 for 2 years. Is that crazy? 202.79 for 2 years, guys. That's insane. I did the math. I think it's right. I don't think it was 3 years. I know it wasn't 4 years. There might have been a little down payment, but the point was it had no air. It was base level, but it was long bed with the extended cab. Okay, let me be sure. When I said that, when I was telling about a $200 car payment for a brand new car, they were like, what? I was like, yeah. Oh, I could use my Arrow's reach. This is all junk. Isn't there something that does shorten spellcasting time? Oh, I see one. Looking for the other one while I put my equipment on. Non-physical could help. What are my trinkets for the rock sling, guys? The speed casting one is one. It's not a sorcery, right? It looks like I don't have anything that like does anything really good. On physical damage, save mana. I'll check for spell damage and magic damage, and I don't have magic damage. I don't think. I'll look one more time. Dude, I don't have... Wait. I have one. I have one Scorpion Charm on this character. Yeah. Okay, so that's what I got. Okay, check for Shackle. Equipment Dorio, right here. Looking for the Mohg. See, Margit Shackle. Mohg Shackle. I got a Shackle, guys. Oh, I see him now. Cool. Okay, oh, Arrow's Reach Talisman. Oh, I probably don't have one. I probably don't have an Arrow's Reach, guys. I don't have an Arrow's Reach. That would be a fun thing to go get me, man. Where the hell do you get the Arrow's Reach Talisman, guys? That thing is so good for this build. You could just shoot from a freaking million miles away, man. We got invaded, folks. I saw it. We got invaded, guys. We're invaded. It's real. It's real, guys. Oh, God. Here we go. I can use my rock sling. Guys. I need my meteor staff. Dude, I couldn't use that freaking weapon, bro. He's like, what am I doing here? He's like, what is happening? Dude, I was pooping on that fool while he was still on an elevator, bro. Okay, sorry. Let me revow, guys. I can't use my loose ass, guys, because I didn't put enough faith in it. Charlie is a sorcery, so use the spell damage. Are you sure about that? Are you sure about that? Because I would much rather. I have 2 Graven Masks, guys. Someone want to buy one? Of course I'm sure. Love it. Okay, here we go. Buffing again. Golden Avow. Drinky. Okay, you guys get in there. And I'm going to throw a shack. And then I'm going to try and hit that sucker with 3 poopies. Okay? This is technical talk, guys, for the fight. I think he sees me, guys. Topping off. How come he don't get no voice break, bro? Little different fight here, guys. Might want to pace yourselves. He's going to heal up. We did pretty good, though, on Dam, actually. That wasn't bad at all. He tried to hit me, guys. I think he sees me. I think he's on to me. I think that was a rock sling stagger, folks. Oh, God. Okay, you and me, baby. We got this. Dude, Trey's killing it! It was up to me to stay alive there, guys. I had to stay alive because it's my playthrough. Hey, I get the killing blow. It's only fitting. We lost Drew. We lost Drew. Oh. It's a sad screenshot. Wah, wah, wah. Oh. Good job, man. Okay, Mohg counter, number 9. Okay, now everyone's sure they don't have any more Mohgs. Okay? Sitting duck went to do rancor, but did explosive sitting duck. That went way better than I thought it was going to. Oh, man, I didn't grab the grace on a couple of these, but it doesn't really matter, right? I'm pretty close to number 5, just need Maiden Blood. Dude, you know what? If you want to run and grab it, man. Did you do that, Trey? I saw it. But are you sure that wasn't a stagger, man? I thought I saw a second shackle in phase 2. I do. That's what's tripping me out. Is anyone a doctor? Is anyone here a learned doctor? Because this is the house of learned doctors. Are you the one that hit the shackle, Trey? Where are you on the map? May I ask? I am in Mohgs Palace, which is now, by the way, my palace. It's my palace. I felt like he got stance broken. Didn't see. Yeah, because I figured it felt like a shackle to me, but I don't think I cast a shackle in phase 2. I'm not saying it's not possible I didn't accidentally, but I don't think I did. I thought it was a shackle, but I'm like, it couldn't be a shackle. We're in phase 2. And then I had been slapping him with rock slings. Usually 3, if I hit 3 in a row, spamming them close together, and all 3 hit, you get a stagger, man, on a lot of stuff. Jackery Taylor, how you doing? I saw the golden ring. I feel like I saw it too. This is Mohgs Palace, which is here on the map and is below Kaled. Yeah. And to get there, you have to do the little quest line with White Mask Vara. Actually, if you're not sure how to do it, you can see exactly how to do it on this video and on a video from the last one, DLC prep, because the whole stream I was just doing that quest. Go to the first step. Be sure White Maskvar is not there. First, be sure you haven't done it. Check and see if you have the grace at Mohgs Palace. You gotta hit Y to get to the underground, right? That's the first thing you might want to check. Then you're going to want to check your inventory, see if you got the little emblem thing that's your audience invitation to Mohgs audience pathway thing that's not Reichard, but I think it still says audience. And then, and only then, if you don't have that, go to first step, talk to Bar. Then you go to the 2 fingers, have an audience with the fingers, come back to Bar, talk to him, or he'll leave. He goes to Rose Church. You got to go to Rose Church. You got to do his quest. Once you're done with that, he gives you the trinket. And then if you want your, in my physic, I've got the Purifying Crystal tier. Okay? It's very exclusive. Okay? It's very hard to get. You got to go get that too. That's at an invasion north, at the church north of Altus Highway Junction. Just go to the church, do the invasion. Yeah, we're going to do 10. I think it would be really cool. It'd be very well worth it to do 10 Mohgs tonight. Do you have your physic already, Trey? I mean, Drew. How's everyone else doing? We should do both our death sorcery builds, Charlie. Yeah. I'll bring my death sorcerer for that. It's gonna be hilarious. It'll be fun. I love the way I brought the big bonk in. I used the grafted blade swords for more than one Mohg kill. That was cool. And I love the fact that I had an astrologer to do. I kind of wish I could have done the Reduvia daggers, but we did last time. He was part of the reason why we kept we kept one face in Mohg. You have to do that physic. Cool. Altus Highway Junction. Run north. Kill the invader. Oh, I should have said load game. I just freaking exited and came back out. Hey, this will give me a chance to improve the Mohg counter, guys. Quit game, yes. Okay. This says, this text, no, not that text. This text right here. Mohg counter. Select font. That looks kind of cool. That looks a little bit stupid. Guys, I want to find a cool. How do you even know? Wait, like fonts. Do you guys know names of fonts? I'm thinking all the ones that are called Microsoft are probably gonna be pretty dumb, right? I'll go with that. Yeah, that looks good. That looks different. Okay. Okay, now I got to come into load game, and I got to go to. Guys, what we're doing, if you're just getting here, our Mohg counter is at 9. We have killed 9 Mohgs. Drew is running to get his blood physic thingamajigger. You know what I'm talking about if you know about killing Mohg. If you're a Mohg killer, if you're a Mohg killing fool like me, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But see, now this, guys, I'm trying to odd drop title, and it says like there's options down there for what is gradient? Background. I don't want background color. Outline. Oh, outline size. There it is. Hey, that put a little pop on it. I mean, whatever. Okay. I'm officially Var's #1 lamb chop in Mohgs Palace, heading up. Nice. Well, I better put my dirty finger down then so he can summon me. Let me check my equipment. Mohgs Shackle. Let me do the first shackle, Trey, because that seems like when I do the first shackle, good things happen. It's out, but we can't touch it yet. You should do both our death sorcery builds. Yeah, I already did mine, but I'm going to run it while... Is this yours? Is the hand coming out of the cocoon or not till DLC? Yeah, the hand is out. I'm officially bars no more lamb chop. Cool, cool, cool. I got my dirty finger down. We are going to be on... This is going to be Mohg number 10 for the night, guys. Who kills 10 Mohgs in one night? I bet other people have, but we're doing it right now. And that's all I care about. Here at Charlie Sardo Gaming, we are striving to bring you the most intriguing Elden Ring gameplay possible. And so we thought it would cost lots of money and hundreds of hours of preparation to kill 10 Mohgs in a couple of hours. And you know I'm just making this up because I'm waiting for Drew to summon me. So I can freaking bust... Okay, check out this guy. It's my Death Sorcerer guy. He's rocking all these killer weapons. These swords, I never really use them. I don't need them, guys. I'm cool. I'm a caster, folks. Drew is coming, man. Drew is coming. Oh, yeah, he's got to head all the way from the bottom, guys, but it doesn't take long. It's a shame I can't see him. That'd be awesome if I could, right? Let's pretend I can.
Hey!
Hey. Charlie, you should use Alexander's talisman. Is it? If that HP one. Equipment. Yeah, I did this, like, to not die on one of the playthroughs or something. I took something off. I was using a magic talisman. That's for my skills. You're talking about that one, right? Is that... But, you know, even more than that, I should be using... You know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and use the correct talisman, and I'm going to use the magic talisman. Because we've killed 9 Mohgs tonight, and this is not my playthrough. So if I happen to die, you guys could probably still kill it. And I'm just going to stay alive. Yeah. Yeah, I used that one just to do something, to give me something to stay alive better, because I died twice. Remember? Who died this time? Drew died. Once, I think. And I think I died twice. Was there more than that? Am I remembering that romantically? Originally, we used only one sorcerer talisman. You have both on in Alexander's, but it's your show. Yeah. You know, oh man, I think mine failed. No? Yeah, I think mine failed. Putting it back down. Yeah, for the, you know what? For the meme. For the memester. Because it's a great one. And that way I'll use my my skill off my death poker. Death ritual spear plus 10, folks. You can't just have that. You gotta level it up. Okay, guys, the Mohg counter is at 9. We're gonna move that sucker up to 10. I see your white phantom, Charlie. Do you really, Drew? That's awesome, dude. Now, I'm doing like me doing DLC prep is me just getting all my characters to kill Mohg. But I mean, is there other stuff I should be doing, guys?
Hey!
Hey!
It's a hay thing, guys. Let's do our Rancor and Right Spirit Ash combo together. All right, who's gonna put the? Gray, why don't you run at him a little closer so we can do our poopies. Oh, but we were gonna. You want to do that first, Drew? got the wrong weapon. Yeah, that was a bad start. I'm sorry about that, Drew. I was no help. I had the wrong weapon and everything. And I howled. Yeah. Okay, so now I see the plan. Okay, we're gonna run in and do like that. And you're gonna Terra Magica. Right? And then right after Terra... And so, Trey, you run up and kind of get his attention if you want to. You seem to be so good at it. And then we're going to put the full wrath of the Death Sorcery Poopy on him. Yeah. He's going to Terra Magica, and then we're going to unload. We're going to unpoopy load. It's going to be pretty nasty. Might want to cover your eyes. At least wear some type of protective covering or something. Okay. So you guys vowed. Someone vowed, right? I am not going to Alice Shabri again. I'm going to stick with the program, folks. What I got to do, guys, what I'm supposed to do is run in with Drew, jump on top of his Terra Magica, and then 2 Death Rancors and an Ash. You already wear glasses, so I'm good. Love it. This is NG10 350, so probably won't melt him. Oh, yeah? Yeah. You're not listening. You're not listening, buddy. You don't seem to know who you're talking to. Put it down, bro. Yeah, throw that sucker. Oh, I did 3! Yeah, that might be a little early. You can do what you want, Drew. Oh, dude, I thought he turned around. That wasn't really a mercy death for Trey, man. You slapped him, and I thought he was turning around. Yeah, they do hit hard. Exactly right. Yeah, he almost one-shot me. That's why I didn't Hellish Shabri. Although maybe we could do that and try and freaking kill him. Because I got my magic poop. Dude, I forgot. I did the right thing, right? Yeah. I did 2 Ancient Death Rancors, and then I did a 3rd one. And you're charging him, right? Yeah. Sorry. We're supposed to do this in unison, guys. It's supposed to be like a concert. And it was looking pretty good for a second there. Broke Trey's streak. If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, comment, subscribe. I love when I read that because I'm like, who's saying that? And it's like, oh, it's the chat bot. That's nice. We got this, man. We got this. I have 1.7 million runes on. Not working. Ooh, I almost fell at the world. Okay. I'm going to re-put down the pooper in one of the different spots. Like, the spots matter. That, it'd be funny if you talk to, like, the devs or something. They might be like, yeah, the spot doesn't matter. Shh. Like, it can't matter. Like, we know specifically how that would be impossible for it to make a difference. But it's like, for us, it's like, I'm gonna try and put it over here by the stairs. It seems to work better. It's probably just random, right, guys? Because I'm the only one. Little formality for you guys. Yeah.
Hey!
So what other prep can I do, guys? What other things can I do to prep? This is just opening up to where they can go there. I mean, Like I said, I could farm runes. I guess I could just look at the character and the build I want to do, and if there's anything I'm missing, but I would have already done that. There actually are a couple of my characters that actually don't have a few things, though. So that would be the move, I guess. I just got to check each character whether sure I have everything. Like, this guy's got everything he needs. Radon is required. 2. Yeah, usually... Well, no, I don't know. I guess I could check on some of my characters to be sure Radon is required. Get in there. Get in there and bring it back to us a little bit. If you would. Okay, 2. 1. 2. Oh no, I thought I was copying you this time. Keep it on, guys. Don't heal much. He's definitely coming for us. He didn't shackle. Back into poopy. Okay, as long as no one does anything crazy. Like that. Drop into poopy from hell. Hey. Nice fight, guys. Hey! Good job, guys. Yeah, that was nice, huh? That was nice in control, man. Dude, the rune arcs are piling up, too. Guys, and there we go. That was Mohg number 10, guys. I started the stream 2 hours ago, and we killed 10 Mohgs. And we had to do some prep for some, too. Crushed it in style. You're right. We went out with a bang, man. I mean, is it possible to have all this and not have done Radon? Double digits, guys. And Trey, have you got a character you want some help with, Trey? Is there anything you want to get zerged through, brother? You got 2 nasty Death Sorcerers rocking here, man. I mean, you know, there's probably not a lot we couldn't just melt for you. You know what I'm saying? With you. Whatever. On one of your other characters. You got a new character? You got something else? Or you don't have anything happen on the, on this playthrough yet? I mean, on PC. Besides Hayat. Don't you have another one? I would think Trey would have something to do, man. Trey's a focuser, guys. Trey's not like me. He doesn't have like 10 different characters. My Dead Knight is only at Shaded Castle, so very limited, says Drew. Yeah, oh, I'm sorry. If I said Drew, I meant Trey. But Trey, because Trey just helped all night. Trey's got done a long time ago. I was asking, does Trey have like, you know, do you have like some freaking build? Unless it's one that you want to play by yourself. Some of my characters, I don't want help. I want to like, I want to play them myself. I want to have some fun. You know what I mean? Like I think everything's not dead on my bonks, right? On my swords. Oh, everything's not dead on this playthrough either. I could have just looked. I did Malekith though, right? Oh, I know what I have to do with this guy. You said we had... Yeah, we do, right? Oh, I see what you're saying. Oh, Drew, I understand now. You can't go very far. I understand. Thank you. I didn't understand. We can run my new character if you want some of my from Zilla on this one. Farum Azula. Didn't I already do Farum Azula on this character? I did, right? I at least I killed Malekith. I think I'm on. I killed Malekith. Yeah, look at the graces. I didn't do Placid. You guys want to kill Placidux or something? You guys want to? I mean, that's something we could do. I understand, Drew. Thank you for explaining that to me. I didn't know what you meant. Wasn't even thinking about that. As in, I'm beside the Great Bridge on my assassin. Yes, so it's your Farum Azula, right, Trey? So I will come to beside the Great Bridge, and you're gonna summon me, right, Trey? Yeah. Love it, dude. If you want to do those, man, and I'll put it. We usually put it where? Does it matter? I'm gonna put it by the summoning pool. By the summoning pool, folks. There we go. Cool. Now guys, Trey just killed 10 Mohgs, and now one of them was his. That's a giver, folks. That's a giver. Oh, change your flasks. That's probably a pretty good move. Don't summon me. Mix wonderful physic. And this is going to be enhanced charge attacks. Okay. I'm going to put this down again. Let's run 2 plastic ducks. Okay. Oof, I probably have 9 plastic ducks. I never fight him anymore. Yeah, right. Yeah, but the problem is every time you freaking restart, every time you NG plus, then you can't get to him again until you gotta get to him again. This guy really is sitting on 2 million runes, guys. 1.969. 1.97 million runes, guys. I really should pick them up when they drop. Oh, so you want to go Placidux now? Well, he was saying Placidux or Malekith, and he said he was beside the Great Bridge. I don't know what that means. I don't know who you're talking to. You ran to the laydown. Oh, well, I can run to the laydown too. Oh. Gotta summon us at Placidux laydown. Okay, that makes sense. I'll run to Placidux laydown. Is that... Can I... Would that be not... Heading to the Placidux laydown, folks. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. I can just cancel by clicking on it, right? Well, he said he could summon me. Yeah. No, he just got me. I never canceled it. I just started heading over there, actually. Oh, he came back and got us. Or he summoned me here. Connection returning to my world, yeah. Okay, I'll run to you. Yeah, it failed because we're too far away. Right? I'm gonna run down. Is that the move? Running to lay down. Yours failed, right, Drew? I was afraid! Ah! Okay. Placidux. Maybe... I might be maybe able to knock down a poopy on this fool because he has a big butt. I think you guys know what I'm talking about, right? It's a little thing called explosive ghost flame, okay? And I'll tell you something else. Haven't really been using this much because it never seems to do a lot. Yeah. I can do more damn if I carried, I think, my second staff. But then I can't do the rain down poopies, and those are kind of fun. They're funny. So there's that. Sometimes you have to consider things, like what's funny and what's not.
Hey!
Drew said his sign is down. Love it. Hey! Oh, I get it. Water. Oh my god, the water is too good. I know a great trick about water. If you don't drink water till you're what's the word? Dehydrated. You're about to die. And then when you drink the water, it tastes really good. It's a trick, guys. Try it. Equipmentorio. I think we probably don't need the shackle today. Down, folks. It's real. It's real. You know what? I knew he didn't really lay down. I'm like, that looked exactly like the emote. It was the emote. You guys saw that? He tried to pull one on us, folks. Who's gonna vow it up? You want me to? I'm an old-time caster. I VTFU'd. Probably could have put on a little bit of negation, but we'll see. We know the fight, right? Maybe just don't freaking do anything stupid. Oh, like have him land on it. Did I do any damage? Dude, I thought if I got behind him like the big, come on. I'm gonna die. He just put it on me. I'm going to have to put some fire negation, guys. That's all there is to it. I'm going to have to put some fire negation. That was pretty bad freaking luck, though, with the fire. I was getting freaking melted. Maybe I could have avoided some of it if I would have been a little more ranged. I did want to try a little up-close scenario. Equipmentory, I'm going to get rid of the skills. And I'm going to put on some greatly boost. That's fire, right, guys? Tell me that's fire damage. It looks like fire to me. Is that fire? Oh, I gotta put the thing down. That fire that comes out of his mouth is fire, right? He's not doing holy damage or something, is he? If he is, I got something for him. We got Lord's Divine Fortification. But it's not. Because he's not freaking Elden Beast. Oh, I just got knocked out. They're probably killing it. Guys, I hope you guys kill it. I'm not getting summoned, and they're not talking. That means they're fighting, guys. Guys, do it. Do it. Get your Placiducks, and we'll do mine. I'm cool with it. I'm the one that screwed up. And maybe in non-physical damage. Just some stuff to keep me alive. Because if I stay alive, I can still do some pretty good damage. You know what I'm saying, guys? I really can. Dude, they're still up, bro. They're freaking rocking this. They're rocking this. I really screwed up dying. That sucks. I probably did... If I was supposed to do 33% of the damage on that boss, I bet I did 5%. You got zapped. Is Trey still up? Trey can do it. If Trey can't do it, no one can. He's our man, right? Guys, the Mohg counter is stuck at 10 because we don't have any more Mohgs today. Used all my flasks in the first 15 seconds. He got me while I was summoning Tish. Oh, man. Good try, though. 5%. No way. All right. Well, I got my dirty finger down. When you're ready. Probably would have been bet on that pull. You would have been better off summoning. Oh, wait. You know what? This one I want to remove. And put like... I'm going to put... People laugh at this one, guys. I like that one. You don't see mine? It's weird. What the hell? I don't know, but I put it down again. But it didn't ask me to cancel it. It's because she wasn't in my bar, so I had to go through my inventory. That's, oh man. That's something to think about. Remove, wait, switch. I'm gonna throw a Black Knife Teacher up on my own thing in case I get in the same position, so I can wrap stuff up. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe a dung pooper. The teacher. I'm canceling it again. I'm gonna try and move it over here. I don't know where to put it, man. It doesn't seem to be working. I put it down again a little further south. Don't get too close to the edge. I don't want you to be falling off. That is funny, though, when it's not in your inventory. Oh, oh, that's right. I forgot about that. See, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, comment, and subscribe. Whoa. Are you saying Black Knife Teacher or teacher for scientific purposes? Teacher. I call him a teacher. I call him a teacher. I think it's real. I think it's real. I think we're going in. Yeah, I'm going to try not to die. He did not fight like Placiducks to me at all that time. He was doing exploding lightning, not poopy little speckled lightning. And then you could usually run right up to him and get behind him and dodge some fire. You guys want to bust a Tibia's summons? Big damn with this, guys. There's a big hitbox. Whoa. Big heals. You guys see him? God, I saw him at the last second. I swear. You guys got him. You guys got him. You guys got him. Guys, I was looking. And then I see him, and I swear I freaking went to turn at him and freaking and roll. And it had to be a millisecond. It had to be within a matter of millionths of seconds, guys. That's how fast my reaction time is. It's my life story, folks. Just kind of sitting out here waiting. Doing nothing. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's my life. It's my life, guys. Thought it was the teacher. I'm saying Black Knife teacher. Black Knife teacher. Guys, you think I can make this jump? Go! No way, not with 1.96 million runes, guys. Million. I shouldn't be running around over here, guys. Are those rocks parkour opportunities for an adventurous Elden Ring enjoyer? What if you could, like, jump onto one and just float all around Farum Azula, and it would take you to a whole other world, guys? Right? What if we could get, like, a chain and a hook and, like, reach over there and, like, pull that one over toward us? And then we could, like, glue it back with some Gorilla Glue and, like, put this whole, sort of, most of it back together. We might have to do some retrofitting. We might have to, you know, there's probably going to be some parts missing. But, dude, like, they put dinosaurs together at the freaking zoo, right? They should be able to. I bet those crumbs right there are the parts that we're missing from up here. You know what I'm saying? Guys, it's architectural stuff. I think that'd be a good thing. Teacher has a black knife. I don't want that teacher. Can you go back up once you drop down? Trey says, got me. I got freaking destroyed, man. I need to put on one more level of Candy Cane Forest. Okay, so he's got to run back down. How can I stay alive a little bit better, guys? I got bigger health pots. I got... Guys, Trey or Drew, can one of you guys tell me that's definitely fire damage he's doing, right? Definitely want to... I keep dying. I want to be the guy that... Oh, my God. Oh, no. Vastly boosted. Yeah, fire. Yeah, it looks like fire. I just wanted to be sure. Dude, I'm literally putting on vastly boost lightning damage and greatly boost fire damage. I just have no other option, guys. I died twice. And I'm going to take the charge of power... Oh, I can't take the charge attack power off because we are not... I'm out of the grace. But that's not that big of a deal. I just added one more layer to the Candy Cane Forest, guys. So now I probably will last a little bit longer. I did almost die there, though. He's weak to Pierce. I know that guy. 1030, folks. The yellow fire is fire, and the yellow beam is holy. You mean the freaking laser beam? The red lightning is lightning, yeah. I kind of thought that yellow beam might be freaking holy. You know what? Yeah, that would be crazy. That'd be crazy to get off Lord's Divine Fortification. Is that the one, though? Probably because I didn't put it down. Sorry, I wasn't ready for you, brother. I'm like, he's not going to be here for 5 minutes. Well, 6 minutes later, I'm standing around. Right? I put it down back where it didn't work, so hopefully you'll see it. If it doesn't work, I'll put it back down here where it does work. I don't know why I put it there. I just did quick because I didn't want to waste time, and I might be wasting time. Freaking dragon with freaking laser beams coming at his freaking head. That's exactly right, man. Ooh, summon to another world, folks. Everything's coming together. I don't like the way the messages float on this. You think they could do a little bit better at that? You know, I think Masasaki, whatever his name is, I think he could do better. You know what I mean? It'd be great. I'm eating more chicken later, man. But I ate all my tortillas. So that one thing you guys are casting is definitely Golden Bow, right? I should learn my spells, guys. Where is he? I don't see him. I rolled too fast. Total operator error. I rolled too fast. Miziaki or something. Caleb, did you see that failure? The last one, I didn't see him until last second. I rolled late. This time, I don't freaking see him. No, I do see him, and I roll early. I don't know, man. I don't know the answer, folks. I have an idea what the answer could be, though. Some people say it's never the answer, but you know what? Could be. All right, folks. Just found the answer. So this weekend, man. This weekend. Tomorrow's Thursday. Friday at 5 p.m. I'm meeting with chillers. Everyone's been invited. Trey's going to be there. Billy Molinik's going to be there. Eric's going to be there. Terry Scoccia's going to be there. Mike Stagner's going to be there. A couple savages out of Dallas are coming down. It's going to be freaking... It's going to be a cool show, man. We're gonna play chess and pool, have a few drinks tomorrow night around 5 in the evening. Maybe we might go get something to eat afterwards if everyone wants to or something. And then Saturday we're going to have a music show. It's going to be extraordinary, folks. It's going to be extraordinary. Getting him to the same HP every time. Yeah, but this time where you managed to... Caleb Boyd says, not everyone but a bunch. Yeah, I wish everyone could have made it, man. But a whole bunch of people are coming. And the band, man. The band is going to be freaking cool. I got the top-notch killer band. It's just going to be sick. There's a few songs I play on. The plan was to have them play the first half of the night, which is about an hour and a half. And then I would get up with them and take control of the band and do the second half of the night. There's a couple songs that they do that they really want me to play on, so I'm like, I'm probably gonna have to get up and play a couple songs with them. You know what I'm saying? Which is fine with me. It'll be fun. It's gonna be fun, dude. It's gonna be loose. It's gonna be loose like a long-necked goose. And I've been advertising it, and I've been telling everybody about it. So should be a good party Saturday night. And the picnic is gonna be cool too. I didn't see it. I'm gonna dick. Not everyone but a bunch, and I didn't see it. I'm gonna playing Elden Ring. Nice. Outside on the oh no, when you say on the deck, I thought you meant outside on a deck. You meant on the Steam Deck. Got you. That's cool, man. So a big weekend for me. So I'm not going to be able to stream Friday night or Saturday night, guys. which is a little bit sad for me. Wow. Guys, I just got to survive. Phase 2, guys. Can I hit him with that? I tried. I should have made a bubble. Well. I'm in phase 2, folks. Lucky sucker. I want to get close. I'm afraid we're going to see freaking laser beams, guys. Oh, that's huge. Hey! Nice! Big dumb dragon killed, folks. I love it. I hate the way it won't let me take that out off the screen. You know what I mean? Oh, that was hilarious. Good job, guys. Little bit different when one person stays alive, huh? Okay, you guys want to Plastiducks again? Putting the dirty finger down, folks. The end was beautiful. Let's just run it back exactly like that and kill mine right quick, guys. Guys, I'm 2.1 million runes right now. Oh, you guys got to run though, huh? Do you have to run? You have to run, do you? Oh, yeah, but you do have to run. Okay, we can do let's do yours first. We can totally do yours first. I would rather do yours first, Drew. Whoa, I did it wrong. Yeah, let's do yours, brother. Let's just one-shot yours and we one-shot mine. If we don't get mine, I don't care, man. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Edgar Castro. Dude, today we killed 10 Mohgs. 10 Mohgs. All back to back. I think there might have been 5 deaths total. Something like that. And that's not too bad because if you figure 30 lives were created, lost 5. Yeah. Not seeing signs. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I don't know why I ever put it there. I feel like down here is a better spot. I'm trying it down here. There you go. See if that works for you. I'm not seeing signs. Oh, damn, I beat him. Oh, damn, I beat him. You just beat the... If you want to, but I mean, I'm so down to do yours. You're still not seeing him, huh? Cancel summon sign. Okay. Okay, putting mine down to call you guys. You should see. Yep, I see you both. Okay, well that worked quick at least. But I want to do yours, man. I ain't like worried about my folio. But this is just nice to have this stuff done, right? If I could touch the sign, it'd be great. This one already something. Something might be failing or something. I don't know. Won't let me touch it. Am I invaded? No. Why won't let me sell it? I just put mine down, but do you guys need to reset yours or something, or no? I can see them both. I thought I even clicked on trays. Maybe I didn't. I can't click. I can see them, but I can't click on them. Oh, wait. No. It just keeps saying unable. Oh, wait. I got you. I got Hayata. Let me see if, I think I got Hayata. Edgar Castro, how you doing tonight, my brother? I don't understand. I don't understand, guys. I don't know how to play this game. It's grayed out. There's one. Guys, like, I don't know if I got to reboot or something. They're gray. Yeah. See what I'm saying? Touch gold summon sign. Why won't it let me? What am I doing wrong? Am I online? Yes. It won't let me summon either of them. Yeah, but no, it's neither of them. They're both been gray for like 5 minutes, or not 5 minutes, for like 2 minutes. I'm just gonna quit game and come right back in and put it down again. I have no idea, but because I can see them, they're glowing gold. They look good. They look good. They look real nice. I gotta try something different, man, because that ain't work. So I just reloaded, and then I'll put it down again. And then we'll kill Placiducts. The way it was meant to be killed, folks. Hope I can craft more, guys. 94. How to get off my bar? This is so weird. Fingers down, baby. Now you guys summon up real nice and sweet. Ooh, yeah. There you go. If you're feeling the vibe, like, comment, follow, and subscribe. Charlie, you should pop a great rune. You got it. That's a great move.
Hey!
Hey!
I'm gonna bust a rune. Donna. Stump down out. I'm gonna bust a rune, folks. Inventory. Okay, that helped. I bust a rune. Incoming Dan. I tried to jump. I had no idea what to do there. Who died? How bad do you feel about it, Trey? Where is he? Dude, I try to dodge right there, bro. Where is he? I couldn't see him, dude. I kept seeing stuff flying in the sky. You know what I'm saying? Too far. Damn. He's gonna leave. He knows what's good for him. We got lucky there. Fire's nothing. Laser beams are bad. Alright, survived laser beams. Straight Ed. Straight Ed. Why can't I summon a Black Knife Tish, guys? I'm not going to die trying. I can't summon it. It won't summon, dude. Not enough mana? I have way too much mana. Oh, I couldn't... Dude, I lost track of it. I haven't hit him in 3 minutes. I gotta cancel. I gotta cancel. I'm gonna get it off if it kills me, guys. It will. Right here, I'll get it. Why not? I canceled it. I'm dead. Why won't it, guys? Did I not cancel it? I thought I did, man. Oh, I turned out the wrong one. I don't understand. I don't understand what happened there. Well, I understand. I knew there was something I was missing. I had to cancel the finger. But I did this and did this, and I swear I canceled it. I have it on video. I did this, and I said, okay. I don't know what else to do. What did I do wrong? Oh, he hit me and it canceled my cancel. That makes sense. And is there something on my interface right now that will tell me that happened? Because I have 2 million freaking runes in that freaking 2.1 million runes in that room. kind of want them back. I want my rib back. You know what I'm saying? Even if I got to twig up, guys. Equipment. Wait. Equipment. What you said, it isn't canceled. You were right. If your ashes are grayed out, it's still a sign. Oh, that really, what, you know what sucks about that though? It's a sign, but it's not like the sign. Because sometimes your ashes are grayed out because you're out of mana. Sometimes your ashes are grayed out because it is canceled. It just hasn't canceled completely yet. Right? I think there's a golden border on your finger remedy. That is something I would need to look at, but it's not on my screen. Man. Dude, you want to talk about just standing around. There was a lot of standing around there, guys. Not attacking. I finally started putting some poops on him. But it was a little bit, don't die. Now, wait a minute. So are my 2 million runes gone, guys? Guys, are my... I had a twig on, but I didn't have my runes. They're gone, huh? $2 million down the hole. No! Well, Trace is because you put the twig on. No, but you understand, Trey, the twigs are inside. The twigs are inside his place. Traces, they are not gone. I'll tell you this, they are definitely on my map. Yeah. I missed the drop down, guys. Is that crazy? It's not that crazy. I was afraid this guy was going to kill me. I'm like, you're going to die right here. I have a twig on again right now. They're on my map. They're on my mini map somewhere. This is it, right? I mean, see, I hit that little ledge right there, guys. We got to do one more attempt so I can get my, and I'm going to go in with the twig. Twig has 2 effects. It leaves your runes on the ground when you die, or prevents you from losing runes when you... Huh. We'll see. Okay, so we do one more attempt in here, or what? Well, yeah, because I gotta get my runes, guys. I gotta get my runes anyway. So, I mean, I could just run in and grab them. Well, you know what? We're gonna know in a second, right? Dirty finger down, folks. We're gonna learn something new about the twig right now, if it's real or not. Equipment. That was lightning. Which one did I take off? I don't remember which one I took off, but I'm in a great rune too. I'm in a great rune. I'm gonna get my runes, and then if you want to jump on Malekith, we can. Drew, if it's too late, I'm sorry. 100% your 2 mil is still in there. That's what I like to hear. Oh, they're on my mini map. Give me a second here to regain my composure. Wait a second. Oh, yeah, let me come up for a buff. Hit this. All right. And don't die. Oh, I didn't. I ruined arcs. Took me a second, guys. Is there someone behind him? Dude, I jumped it last time. Dude, no way. Is there a way to see this fool? God, I always feel like it's at the last second. Why would I stay for that? Someone's still up. Dude, those things kind of ruin my view. Every time I see them, I freak out. Wow. That was big damn opportunity right there, man. Well, we got it off. Ha! I didn't get my runes. I didn't get my runes. I didn't get my runes, guys. 2 million. Call me greedy. Tisha's still up. I might have to go to melee weapons, guys. Okay, now watch Teach. Teach looks at him, guys. Dude, he hit me, bro. Teach is on him. Time to do damage, guys. Go. I'm not doing any damage. Is he flying again? He was. Run away. Oh, laser beam too. Wow. And Tisha's down. And this is about where I was last time. He hits me every time with that. Well, I got my runes right. I did. Eat that. I jumped it before, man. I dodge a laser beam, guys. I don't normally dodge a laser beam. I dodged a freaking laser beam. You know, that wasn't too bad, right? I did equip a second twig. I did. Talisman effects have prevented you from losing your runes. I got my runes, man. I got my runes. Okay, now, do you guys want to do... You thought I wouldn't get them. I forgot. Dude, but I get the Tish up. I got the Tish for the good recovery, and I'm like, I got it. Guys, I got to go get my runes. I got to run all across the room, dude. Yeah. 2 million to take a minute to farm up, guys. I mean, would 2 million take like 15, 20 minutes or something? 15 minutes, something like that? I don't know, man. It takes a minute, guys. 500,000 is no joke, dude. Trey's all, Charlie, please. Charlie, get them runes. Oh my God, chat is great. Ah, you guys are going nuts. They are not gone. You had the twig. Are they on the ground still? Oh, 100%. You're 2 million. Okay, that was good, right? Charlie, please get your runes. Oh, you want me to get them right away? Yeah. I forgot, guys. We kept saying get the runes. That's hilarious. Are we running Malekith or no? If it's too late for you, Drew, I get it. We don't want to keep you up, my brother. Today was an under 1250 tournament, which means I don't play. Which means I talk the whole stream, and it always makes my throat hurt. And my throat's hurting right now. Streamer food with methalyptus. This is actually singer food, too. For musicians and whatnot.
Hey! Hey!
Hey!
Oh, his knight's dead. That's no fun. I need 1 second to change some trinkets, guys. Enhanced charge, right? That looks pretty good to me. I have so much Vig, I'm telling you guys, it's... Oh, well, no, I don't have that much Vig now, because I'm not rune-arcing, but... I just don't know that it's such a bad... Now, are you, that's a golden vow, right? I had us pissing him off with the golden vow. Oh, here comes the bonkers. Here comes the bonkers. That was phase 1. Dude, you know what? I mean, I want to be here for the end. I gotta tell you something. I feel like I'm doing some damn. There you go. Finish him off. Finish him off, folks. I was doing some damn there, guys. That was a little... Part of it was lag. Part of it was... there you go. We saw them do it, guys. They did it. Good job, guys. I did my 33% damage there, even though I died. You know what I'm saying? Feel good about it. That was freaking a cake joke. That was actually really fun. Yeah, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, he did the fancy attack on me twice. It's like his waterfowl. I usually do better at dodging it, but I'm not even gonna lie. Felt uncomfortable with the laggy kind of feeling of it. That was awesome. Drew, thanks for staying so long. And Trey, thank you, man. Guys, I'm going to figure out something to do. I think I'm going to get on the big bonks. I call them big bonks now. It's not actual big bonks, guys. It's the grafted blade greatswords. I got to see what I have to do on those because they need to keep on moving on. This build has Godfrey. And I'm trying to think if I ever made phase 2. I didn't. I've got him to about 55% a couple of times. And never made it to Horlu, I don't think. But I did like 5 or 6 attempts one night. When I first got there. Totally we were watching those Mohg kills. Most kills gonna be cool, man, huh? You have Ashen Capital now. Ooh. Can't up with regular capital anymore, so I need to progress my other character. Yeah, my Godfrey I want to do solo anyway. Because I want to improve. You know what I'm saying? Boy, now that I played almost all my characters in the last 2 or 3 days, guys, which has been a lot of fun. Tom and Perry. He got his Mohg done today. One thing I should do too, I should do this off stream, but I should be farming runes, guys. Get that guy up to 452 so we don't burn 2 million runes, right? G Y Lendl Capital of Ash. Hey dude, Trey. I got game if you want a game, brother. Trey, on my crafted blade greatswords, I'm looking at Lendl Capital of Ash Grace. And I'm not seeing any Elden Throne or not Avenue Balcony, but beside the Queen's Bed chair. I'm not seeing any of those. Feel me? You want to, dude? Can we meet at? Well, Capital of Ash would have to run all. Oh, you got to run all the way anyway, right? You can't mount here. Do you have ashes? Do you have what do you call them? Grace's Far, or do you want to just meet at Lendl Ashen Capital? I'll summon you here, or you can summon me here. You want to meet at Gideon? How do we do this? It's not like a whole bunch of mobs, right? Probably better to meet at Gideon. I should have just said that. You're probably thinking and typing. Summon here, summon here. Well, summon here. I love it. Summon here, summon here, summon here. Oh, wait. I got to look and see. I might have a level, too. Level up? Yeah, guys. I have 3 levels. Okay, guys. The stats on this character could be a little disturbing, guys. All right? Above all, my strength is 69. My vigor is 50. My mind is 23. My endurance is 50. My dex is 28. Int is 9. Faith 9. Arcane 7. I think... Go 3. I think they go in dex. Or 2 points in dex. And then maybe start putting some in endurance. I'm going more dex. Because it scales with the weapon. Okay, sorry, Drew. I had to burn some runes, brother. Okay, you summon me first. Because you brought up Ashen Capital first, brother. I'm going to bonk Gideon so freaking hard, I'm going to knock him into the next freaking room. I'm going to knock Gideon into the next freaking room. Goldfrey's going to be like, what are you even doing here? What are you even doing here? Well, that's... Goldfrey was... 4. Goldfrey's already gone. One thing about me, guys, I don't know much about the game. I just play it professionally. Okay. So we are going to run in and destroy Gideon. Someone is getting greedy. Who's getting greedy, bro? Drew, wait a minute. Drew, you're not allowed to be here. You got to go to sleep, bro. Dude, it's a Black Knife teacher. Trey's a Black Knife tish. What are those swords, Drew? They look like short swords or like medium swords. They're not big. I love it that Drew hung out, man. Trey is already pulling the boss. Just so embarrassing. Where is he though? Is he getting loot or something? Is he really that far ahead of us? I think he has a port hack or something. I'm not sure. He's always so far ahead of us. He can't be. Where is he? You mean for one time, he had to get the loot, guys. It's his playthrough. Whoa, you almost killed me, dude. Guy John. Still have a freaking shackle on, dude. Hold him still for 2 seconds. Oh my god, he's doing millennia. You know he's gonna attack me. I'm doing the biggest damn. You know he wants me, guys. I think Night Comet got the killing blow. We're getting sent back, right? That'd be funny if they didn't send you back for Gideon. They'd be like, no, it's just Gideon. That would be so disrespectful for Gideon, you know what I mean?
Hey! Hey!
Okay, so what do we do? What do we do now?
Hey!
Do you want me to run mine here? You want to just run up and do your next one? You can crouch wave. Should I run back and summon you guys? Like, ooh, I got another level. I got to put it on, guys. It's a lot of runes, man. I won't pick them up, guys. Because we're leveling Dex. Level up Dex. Oh, there was a great... No, I couldn't get the grace. Same thing as before, just all 3 of us? Okay. Same thing as before. Love it. Here we go. Dirty finger going down. Down, down, down. Dirty finger going down. Down, down, down. Red Knight's going down. Boy, the summon signs work real nice out here. Oh, Dirty Tongue. We got to activate the Dirty Tongue, folks. All right, guys.
Hey! Hey!
Hey! Which way is it? I don't even know. I can never see the steps from here. I think I see it. I think I'm looking right at it. Do they have that hay in all Dark Souls games? Like all Souls games, like even from back in the freaking day, like the first one, like Dark. Ooh, my loot. Rune Arc. I can come back to this loot. It's not like we're gonna burn the capital. Yeah, we already did, folks. Dirty Tongue is down. We get lucky, we're gonna get invaded. That would be fun. They won't know what they're running into when I do this. You know what I'm saying? Caleb, what exactly are you doing right now? You say you're playing. Did we get invaded? Usually when they're buffing here, it's because we got invaded. No, he's buffing because we're there, huh?
I knew you'd come to stand before the Elden Ring, to become Elden. What a sad state of affairs. I commend your spirit, but alas, none shall take the throne. Queen Marika has high hopes for us. We
Don't do that.
continue to struggle. Unto eternity.
Don't do Mohg stuff. I've been playing with Mohg for an hour. You're not gonna impress me with that move. Oh, they're melting him now, folks. Dude, the jump attacks are fun. Yeah, dude, I got greedy, man. I got greedy and jump attack too early. Nice skill, brother.
Cannot become a lord. Not
Very cool, man. Thank you guys for helping me with my Gideon. With my Gijon. Trying to get to the capital. Okay.
a god.
A god. Thank you. Oh, I get the Scepter of the All-Knowing, guys. Okay. Give me the grace. We're still here, folks.
Hey!
They're gone now. We have 3 Godfreys. I don't have to do my Godfrey. Now Tom and Perry is that Godfrey too. I know, is that crazy? Tom and Perry, man. Remember we made this guy? Oh, Drew's got a Gideon. Nice. I'd have to run back. Oh, no, I'll meet you guys over there. Drew's got a Gideon. I thought Drew was hanging out for a reason, folks. Where the hell is... How come I can't... Yeah, but we got to do Drew's Gideon, right? Finger is down. I didn't know he had a Gideon. Yeah. My Death Sorcerer has a Gideon. This will be my last one. I would like to say that, but I personally... We probably could summon at the door. No, we can't. We can't because Drew's got to run still, right? The Mohg counter, guys, made it up to 10. We killed 2 Mohgs about in the first 2 hours of the stream. It was freaking fun. I think we did, what, 4 for Drew and 5 for me? Or was it 5 and 5? 6 for me? Whatever it was, we're not keeping score here, folks. The important thing was we had a lot of different builds, a lot of different combinations, and 10 Mohgs died in a little under 2 hours, and it was freaking fun. I'm going to make a video of that for sure. We're 5 and 5. That's what we can do, Godfrey. Night where you start by soloing your Death Sorcerer, and then we run 3 after. That is quite a possibility. I don't know. As part of my prep, if you guys haven't noticed, but I've kind of, in the last few playthroughs, started not summoning as much. And started doing some melee stuff. and trying to do some melee no summon stuff, and it's hard. That's always been the hardest stuff for me, right? When you summons, even when you melee, it's easy, man, because you don't have to dodge as much and stuff. You don't have to be as good at the game, right? Melee no summons is the move, guys. That's the challenge, bro. I still have a freaking shackle on my freaking Malarker. What? Dude, where's my greatsword? I'm not coming in without my greatsword, so if you guys kill him, you kill him. Come on, the greatsword should be right up here. Swords. Yeah, like I said, I mean, and when I say solo mine, where's my F button? Yeah, I never got going in that fight. I never really got at the targeting, didn't feel right, and then I felt like my fingers were on the wrong keys, and I looked and they weren't, and I'm like, what's going on? Just save us the run, guys. Just take him out. I'm sorry, guys. My bonks fell apart that time. I'm running back. Remember, you can run back. So like Azuragos. There's certain bosses in World of Warcraft that are outside your bosses. If you die, you can run back and get into the fight. You guys got him. Beautiful. So I can come then to that grace, right? Gideon's house. Yeah. I believe you guys did. I want to solo Godfrey, and I can't freaking sneak up on Gideon while you guys are hitting him. Yeah, like I said, I feel like I need to try it. I need to use the opportunity. Oh, wait. We go to the next grace, right? Yeah, we always do that. Queenside bedchamber or whatever. Revenge has been achieved. Thank you guys for avenging my death, man. Gideon's a punk. I mean, I must have whacked him pretty good at one point because he turned on me. It's a great boss to practice your... Yeah, he is, man. He is. In the jumpies. That was awesome, guys. Glad I was able to do an encore. Dude, you're the man. Thank you, Mom. You know, on one of my playthroughs, like for instance, I'm doing it on the Death Sorcerer right now, and it's a little tricky, man, because of cast time. It might just be better to melee him, you know. Cast time on this is not so bad, guys. It's the recovery that kills you. And for the big one, that was the big one. Wow, that's a big right-handed one. And the jump attack. The jump attack is spec'd, folks. Drew, I thought you already left. He did leave, Caleb. He came back. Guys, we just gotta look around. Well, I thought I could roll into that. No, I didn't get ripped off. I got ripped off there. Wow. All right. Hey, man. I'm dancing, guys. I just got here. I have not, well, I did beat him with a heavy melee build solo, but that was Big Bonk, Royal Knight's Resolve buffed. I didn't even flask and buff, guys. And he, you know, I just had to hit him a few times. You reached level 290. Nice, man. That right there, what I just did, guys, that was freaking fun as AF, if you know what I mean. I should throw some, I don't know, get big boy buffs. I should respect. Trey, if I took this build and respect it, check out my stats. Level 170, right? If I respect this and I put my 23 in faith, you said, and I could gold vow and flame grant me strength, that would be huge, right? Steam Deck definitely makes more portable, also more so than a laptop unit. 25 faith, but I mean, flame grant me strength and freaking gold vow would be insane, right? Now I do have my cheap gold vow, but I think it's 10%, and I think the other gold vow is like 15% or something, right? How much better is the spell gold vow versus the cheap gold vow? It would cost me 16 levels. And everything's pretty much where it needs to be is the sad part. Well, you know what? Maybe I could pop like 4 points into faith. You said faith 13 for flame grant me strength. Does that increase fire damage? I mean, physical damage? Flame grant me strength? I just don't remember all the rules, guys. Check this out. Equipment. Remove. Trinkets. Magic. No. Equipment. This goes like this. Huge. Equipment. These 3 are stuck there. If you had flame armor sword on top of that, a few more. Yeah, right. Okay. Okay, I do it like that. As long as I can play the game, that'd be great. I'm gonna throw the thing. Throw the thing. Throw the thing. This is the perfect distance to throw the thing. Throw the thing. I had some runes. He's not gonna throw the thing. Throw the thing. I wanted to do this. Okay. He double freaking... Didn't get hit there, guys. I mean, that's a really big deal for me. Too early still. What? I understand where, when he finishes that attack, where he's aiming is where the poopies on the floor are going to go. But I don't know how to read it before that. You know, does anyone understand what I'm saying? the swirly attack. That's when he hits his stick into the ground, and then he spins around in a certain direction, and then he does a big, long AoE poopy on the floor, a big, skinny thing, and you run away from it. But I don't know how to know where he's going to move it to, because he moves it. You have a Mohg physic on. Runs away. Well, you told me to change the physic on my other thing, but then you left. You didn't even help me. Let's see what it was though. See, like if it really, you know, what I was missing. Break enemy stance, so I could put like Opaline Bubble Tier, and you know, just save a whole bunch of my. That's what, dude. You know what's so funny? You're so great. I'm such a noob. I literally am like, what is that red bubble on me? What is that red? I'll go with that red. Yeah. That's why you looked right at it. You're like, huh. I guess he's running the Mohg physic on this build. Interesting. This is fun. The messages will ruin your life, guys. There's no rooms, guys. Roll the poopy! I gotta learn how to do it melee anyway. What's up, bruh? What you got? That's the one. Hey, man. You know what? All you gotta do is get in there and dance a little bit, man. You can make stuff happen. You know what I'm saying? You can make miracles, folks. I dodged a couple moves right there, folks. I dodged a couple of moves. Now I've got two characters here that really need to learn this fight. And that was actually a lot of fun, but I'm not gonna grind this right now, guys. I want to thank y'all for being here. If you guys like what you see, please throw me a sub, throw me a like, throw me a comment. Anything you do on the way out, it all helps the stream. We will be back tomorrow evening for Elden Ring After Dark at 8 p.m. And if you have any interest in chess, come to Charlie Sardo Give Me a Chess. I have a ton of content, guys. Just go watch anything on my page, man. We have a bunch of lives that were fun like this. We have videos, and there's a whole bunch of shorts. Elden Ring stuff, man. Check it out. Go check it out. Comment. I come back and reply on the comments all the time. Caleb, thank you. Drew, guys, thank you for being here. I freaking love you guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.